Baby, I swear, he said to go. Anybody when say you know said, come to fire that person. You are too beautiful.
Thank you.
Now what for you, my sexy investment?
Thank
On your to what, yeah? Now what for you? Wait now. See, if spending my money on you is a sin, I am ready to go to hellfire.
No, baby, no. You won't go to hellfire. You will spend the money on me and we'll go to heaven together.
Yeah, but everybody must not make heaven now. Even if we do hellfire, we'll go the ball.
Yeah, I trust you, my baby.
Baby, try eating now.
Wow. I need money. I need money to change my wardrobe.
Money, ordinary money. Now they give like now for you. How much are we talking about?
Baby, you know me now. I love money. Passionately. Just give me money. Sizable one at that.
That one, they see, let me tell you, I will spray money on you.
Hi, baby.
No, you have to promise me one thing.
What?
Your body and your waist. Let me get that.
My waist, my body is yours forever.
I don't want to see all these small boys around you.
Nobody.
I will spray you. I will spray you.
Oh,
you
baby.
Walk on money.
Oh,
baby. One bomb sample.
Why? You got wait.
Baby.
You got wait. Oh, da prata.
Baby.
Why? Oh, da prata.
Are we going down? Hey!
Why? Oh, da prata. You get wait. One. Are we there? You understand? Hey, focus up.
Hey!
Go away.
Are we there then?
Oh, da prata. You got wait.
Are we there?
Send me the money.
Damn it.
Send me the money. Send me the money.
Why? Bra. Boom. Why? Pegaso. Oh, bra. Don't away. Tá, o que?
I'm late, oh. I'm late. I'm late. I have to go now.
Eh?
Yes.
Ozoma.
Fola.
Wait. You're late. Are you trying to tell me that you will not take your bath before you go to the market?
No, I will not. I will do that when I come back. Do you want me to lose customers?
Ozoma, do you know for 3 days you've not had your bath? Not even brushing your teeth. Eh? Ozoma, look at it. 1, 2, 3. Morning, afternoon, night. Morning, afternoon. For 3 days. Eh? You've not allowed water to touch your body. Ozoma. Hey.
Mama, I know. If I go and take my bath now, other food sellers will take my customers away from me. I don't want to lose my customers. Eh? I will bet when I come back. You know, don't worry yourself.
Ozoma, nobody buys food from a Let's cook it. The food is ready. Let me get you cooking. Yes. Mama can't You want to buy food, okay?
Yeah. I will rush. I didn't even remember to wear my clothes because I don't want to miss your food. Bring the food.
I hope you buy this food like you give me good face.
Look at my face now.
I hope you give me good face.
You give me. Hey. No,
what do you want?
As usual. Put omo, put meat. Rich. Put. What's this international restaurant?
That's my name.
Put omo, put meat, put everything.
What else do you say you want?
Put everything. Even that one, put. Put. Hey. Now I was rushing before she left for market. I cannot sleep without eating her food. Bobo. The other one will first of all enter before the food. What's it, baby? Oh, this international food. I get there. That's why I make here my eating point. This is my eating point. What's it, baby?
Hey, Mama, I have to go now.
Put everything.
I am running late. Let's cook it. I hope your face is a good one.
My face is always good. Just go and sell. Sell everything and leave the center one for me.
And let me get my drop. I mean, I manage it like that.
I don't tell you, I say, make una know they keep this man. I know they hear what I do.
I am the king, I rule the market, but I no get joy. Now my hustle make my mama get joy.
What kind of thing is this? Poor me. I'm just managing my life. Oh, look at me now, Amaka. Look at me. What did I do to Obinigbo and his boys? Why me? I spent money on those goods.
But wait, so you already know that Obinigbo and his boys are heartless. Why did you shade your market on the street, knowing fully well that he's coming around?
Want of correction. I didn't shade any market on the street. My sister did that, not me. My sister. You want me to kill her? It is my sister. Now look at. Do you know how much I spent on those schools? Do you know how much?
But wait, so is it just the ticket money or you shade your goods on the streets? Which one?
I said my sister shaded on the streets, not me. You can't do Arisima or Bikokwa.
So Chinelo, it's okay. I heard what happened. I say, wipe away your tears. Stop crying. It's not the end of the world. I know that Obinigbo and his boys are very wicked. Obitara Hamiri. Hey! Don't worry, God will provide. How can it do? Are you hungry?
No.
I have overpants too.
I'm not hungry. I'm okay.
My sister, I'm not asking for money. Just stop crying.
But I don't understand though, Amaka. Why are people always buying food from her? Don't they perceive the body odor? Look at her armpits. So bushy.
I will never eat her food. Over my dead body, even if it's free.
Same with me, oh. Instead, I will not eat her food. Everywhere. Bush. Hey, God, oh. My tubers of yam, my goose. I spent so much money on this. Okay, African time.
How is that my business now? What did they worry you? Let me go camp over dog. Can you find me? I take my business. Not be people money I carry for here. Not be people money there for you. What did they worry you? Give me my money, make I come out. That one is my business. Give me my money before I change it for you. What did they worry you, sir?
Why you go change her for me? Change her, say what happen.
What did they worry you? I go change it for you now.
I never sell anything.
You go see the way I speak up now. You go see what will happen.
What happened that time now? Hey! What happened? What about now? Necklace!
Oh! Boom! What's happened?
She don't want deposit. Go on the She don't want deposit.
She don't want deposit. Babe, I go for. Pay my money, John.
I don't go pay later. I say I go pay later.
Pay your money now. Madam, pay your money.
I don't get money.
Get out there, get out!
I go pay money.
I go pay later.
Da brada!
Chinelo! I know! I know! Go that side! I know! Go that side! Go! Don't come again! Don't stay that side! Yes, I can hear you from here! Stay that side! I can hear you!
Hey! Bros, here, I nearly die. Huh? This one na unlimited order part 2.
Grab your copy.
I tell you, on a more serious note, I don't believe that people are still buying food from that dirty thing. I still can't believe it.
And I might feel that get that guy the use jazz.
I tell you.
That get the use jazz.
Deodorant.
I tell you, if no one people go they buy smack for hand.
Boss, pity me now. I almost died though. I almost suffocated though. As that girl put me for her armpit too. Boss, pity me. That girl body odor die yo. I no go near her again.
My pity. You know say if to say you die under that girl armpit for better for me.
Thank you.
I will just know say Kukuma na 3-man show with the run for this business.
Boss, why?
Because you know they're useful.
At all.
Now wow.
You have no use.
Boss, why they yarn like this now? Why they yarn like this, boss? Why they talk like this now? Not my mates they die for plane crash. One woman and pit now go can't die.
You don't get money to
boss,
fly.
Boss, don't talk like that now, boss. Boss, everybody's important.
But you are not important.
Boss, I'm important, boss.
Not be smart thing, no, bros. And I tell you, make una know they collect money from that girl.
Confirm.
The way why they say, her money go get order.
No, you get once. You get.
You go get order. Kai!
Okay, if you mark, I call him, man.
Oh! Remember, so say what am here for? Pour me this thing for face, I beg.
Ototo, you get away. Why is that fumigator?
Wim!
My fumigator,
you try.
What the boss?
May not be that say we forget what you call your condo. Because katuke.
Oya. Check and balance.
Check and balance.
Oya. Check and balance. I calculate am o. Mama is there. I calculate am o.
Ha! Bebe. Ife beke. Enwa. Ha! In a chaka nyanwo. You are so beautiful. This your waist alone can make somebody even poof. Okay, now. Ha!
Ah! Who does that, man?
Are you mad? Jesus!
Are you mad?
Jesus!
Huh? What are you trying to do?
What are you saying? Is she your wife? Are you the only one I know how to admire beautiful women?
Nah, but I'm not why. Let them see. Second, talk. Come on, just stop.
Stop it!
Mountain. Serious Mandan.
You don't love me.
Mandan.
You don't love you. You don't love you.
Mandan. Mandan. Mandan.
Come on, boss. Come on.
Obi, I said stop it!
Mandan. Mandan.
For this community, my second girl, no fear. My second investment. You don't love me. Oh no.
Osioma no dey back, Osioma no dey brush, she no dey rub pancake, darkness of lipstick, upon say na fine girl, upon say na hot cake, she just dey smell around, when she pass, people go shout say, wetin dey smell, Osioma, she no dey wash her panty, Osioma.
How was market today?
Bad, Mama. Bad. Bad. I don't know what is going on. I've lost all my customers to other food sellers. I couldn't even sell plantain. Not even beans. What do you want me to do now? Mama, just look at my phone. Just look at the phone. Everything is the same way. The same way I left with it. I'm sure they have done something. They've done something in my shop. Mama, is
that not what I have been telling you? When you don't brush your mouth. In fact, you don't even take care of yourself. Ozoma, you smells. In fact, you look like a mad woman. How can you be dishing food at the same time licking your spoon and you want the customers to remain? Or the person, look at your armpits, look at your legs.
Is it my fault? Besides, I don't smell. I don't think I smell. I am not perceiving any odor from my body. I love licking my spoon to show the customers that my food is very, very tasty.
Hey.
When I look myself like this, or I lick like this, and they will see my face is very, very bright, they will come.
Someone is very irritating. Look at the way you're scratching. Scratch here. Is it irritating? Please, my child. Please go and bathe. Get a razor. Scrape off all these things. Mama, even the one that is scratching you here, the whole place is full of hairs.
Mama, I don't like shaving it. It tickles me. If I put razor blade or shaving stick there, everything will do with me.
Get rub that place and shave it off.
Okay, I don't like bathing with cold water. I'll put it under the sun. When it gets hot, then I'll bathe with it.
Whichever way.
Mama,
just make sure you bathe.
Don't worry.
Osioma no dey back, Osioma no dey brush, she no dey rub pancake, darkness of lipstick, upon say na fine girl, upon say na hot cake, she just dey smell around, when she pass, people go shout say, wetin dey smell, Osioma, she no dey wash her panty, Osioma, go and back with you. Osioma, Olesiko Giri, Osioma, they cook food, Osioma, they wash clothes, she be white for material, but she know the grip of Ajin Babu etoju, Ajin Konse etoju, Osioma, Wapopo no ya. Osino ne meya tinini tananga, Osioma no deba, Osioma you. No which kind person be this yo, Osioma. She no dey green brush her teeth, Osioma. But Osioma go like to kiss you, Osioma you. She go scratch you, Osioma. But she no go greet you back. Osioma, will you? Osioma, go and back. Osioma where they smell. Osioma.
Anomabala, oh, Anomabala. Anomabala, Mokupe de Gwen. Uwasu Kule, Nepala, Anomabala, oh, Anomabala. Anomabala, Mokupani, Uwasu Kule, Nepala,
why can't you take your bath the same way you are washing this clothes? Eh? So, this water has been under the sun.
Mama, don't you know that a cold water can cause runny nose? Yes, I put that water under the sun to get hot so that I will bathe with it.
Ozoma, for how long? How many hours ago?
Mama, because there is no sun. I want sun to come out so it will get hot. Don't worry, I'll bet. Oh, no
problem. Let me see your armpit. Let me see your armpit. Hey! Ozioma!
Mama.
Ozioma!
Mama.
No problem. If you cannot bet, you can shave. So you will shave now. Forget the only hand.
Mama, wait. Mama, what are you trying to do?
Raise your hands up.
What are you trying to do?
Raise your hands.
But wait, but that thing tickles me. I've tried several times to shave it, but he couldn't let me.
Ozoma, if it tickle you, I will hold you.
Mama, please now.
Raise your hands.
Okay. Oh, wait,
Ozoma, raise your hands.
Wait, let me pose. How you doing?
You don't need to pose. Just raise your hands up for me.
Okay, let me raise. Wait, which one are you starting from?
From here.
It is Mama, wait, Mama.
Ozoma, come back here. Come back here. Come and remove that bush under your armpit, Ozoma. No problem. When you finish running, you will come back here. Barunaga, no problem. I'm waiting for you. No problem. I'm waiting for you.
Obi, leave my house. Leave my house this minute. I do not want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you for now. Leave. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't.
Baby, Bana, see, I did it for love.
Indeed. What love? What nonsense love? I'm asking you. How could you do a thing like that? How could you send your men to beat up a man that did absolutely nothing to you? Are you that cruel?
Hey. Baby, I'm sorry now. See, me, just that me, I cannot stay and see all these small boys touching my investment. See, you are my investment.
He did not touch me. Even if he planned touching me, I did not know about it. So you have no right to send your talks to go and beat him up for doing absolutely nothing to you. It's not right. Listen, Obi, you are not my husband. You don't own me. You don't. Yes.
Now, if I'm a cabas now, this one is lie. Is it because I even knelt down for you? For what? For what, self?
Okay.
How can I stay here? You want me to keep quiet and I'll be looking at all these small boys touching my investments after spending money on you? What's the meaning of that?
Which investment? Which investment? I'm asking you. You give me money willingly. I don't ask you for money. So don't even bring up that topic. Don't.
What are you trying to say? Does that mean I'm wasting my time?
That's your business, oh. If you really love me like you claim, come and pay my bride price. Therefore, with him, and I'll know that you're serious. You're truly a man. Anybody you see around me, you need to act with. Why? Leave me. Leave me.
Hey, that babies. It happen now. He said, you see, baby, let me tell you. I work for you. I go run them now. That one a small challenge. I will come and settle everything. Meanwhile, smile for me now.
I will not.
You don't want to smile?
I won't. Smile for what?
Hey, baby. Don't worry, I'm a baby again now. I'll make you smile. Hey, baby.
Baby, no, it's not like I have issues with you.
How you come now?
I don't have issues with you. Me, I love you. I love you very much. It's just that sometimes you try and be gentle. Don't always send your talks to be beating up people for no just cause.
Those people, they are moving.
You know I love you.
Who ran? Who ran? Hi!
What is it?
Huh? Who ran? Why did you chase my wife away? Did you chop here?
I did not chase her away. Hi. Eh? I did not chase her away. Ozioma, my daughter, does not want to help herself at all. Eh? Hey.
You did not chase her away?
I only wanted to shave her armpit and she ran away. Do you know that Ozioma for the past 4 days have not bathed? Even to brush her teeth. Is it good?
Uren, does it concern you?
Eh?
Does it concern you? Allow Ozioma to be. Allow those hairs on her armpit to be. Huh? Well, we are growing them so that we'll cut them one day and sell. As those people are saying, Brazilian hair, Ethiopian hair, those one will sell it as Ozioma's armpit hair. Huh? And as for fluffing this brushing of teeth, what concerns you there? She's my wife. Huh? She's my wife. Don't think that you call order. I'm not order. They are sent. It's your man.
Shut up your mouth. Ask him a child. Who made her your wife? Onyeke pro bride price. I am asking you.
Who, my wife?
Yes, who did you pay Ozioma's bride price?
She's my wife. You like it or not?
Chukukere.
I'm going to bring her back.
Now I know that both of you are just one alike. Eh? Look at you. No, remove your brain from your nose and eat it. That is the next thing remaining for you. Leave my house.
I'm going to leave. But I'm
advise yourself and advise Ozioma very well.
I will advise her to keep on holding those armpits. Selling point in one. Selling point in one. Go for selling point. Go up where?
Hey, I'm going to come out to GC Korobiko. What kind of people are this? Hey! Overall woman require I work on him. I swing on.
Hey.
What are you guys doing here?
Why are you sitting all alone talking to yourself?
My sister, nothing. No. Why are you guys here? Hope all is well.
We came to see you, of course. Are we not your friend again?
What is the occasion? This kind of visit, I know. Hey, Amaka, eh?
We came to thank you for chasing Obi and his boys away from the market today. We tried.
But that was not intentional.
Yes, so you really tried. Agwani.
It wasn't intentional. It was not intentional, my sister. Hey,
don't you know that you use this your armpit order to chase them away?
But seriously, you are a woman. You need to take care of yourself. In a CC. And we are the only true friend that will tell you that.
Yes. Ozzy, you smell a lot. And it's not good for a food seller like you. Nessie, you are a good cook and everybody has confirmed it. Please beat.
And people don't patronize you because you are dirty. Oh my God,
yeah, wait. Amaka and Chinelo, so you guys actually came here to insult me? You girls are here. are here to insult me.
Bakwa, we are here to advise you not to insult you. You are our friend now.
Stupid girls. Someone came to my house to insult me just like that. What kind of rubbish is this? Then I smell. How? Hey. I don't have a body odor. I don't smell. I am not basically anything. How can you say that? So they actually came here to look for my trouble. Nothing else. Yes, they came to look for my trouble. But no problem. Anulata, Echibonta, I will show you guys that my name is Ozioma.
Men they suffer. Men they really suffer. So as this one being herself, she self goes figure boyfriend.
Na is just a talk now. Men no send this one way they talk. Some men no send. So long as she get Okulu, say oh they there. Then go enter shop 1, shop 2 sef.
As we dey even dey talk now, person feed the German the OPO to at this time, man.
No.
Now bandage they tie for face.
They go use that sanitation food they use now.
Use that commandos.
My brother, sorry.
Now you can start. Must you come close? Come.
No verse, king of the market. You people forgot to collect ticket money from me, so I decided to bring it.
No. What happened? She didn't go get now. See, let me tell you. It's not as if we forgot to collect the money. We've decided not to be collecting money from you.
Is it because of what happened the other day? Hey, my brothers, please forgive. It wasn't intention. No. It's
not because of that. Yeah, it wasn't because of that.
Okay.
I have decided to make you the queen of the market. So that you will not be paying any tax money again.
That means I will not be paying for ticket money again.
See, parade, make noise, let people know that I made you the queen of the market.
Show yourself.
Hey, me, Ozioma, queen of the market.
I'm the woman leader now.
Hey, woman leader.
Woman leader.
Hey.
You don't know I like you.
Yeah. Love.
You like me? Love. Hey! Hey, Obidiwo. Hi. I've liked you for a very long time. Hey, don't worry. I will never disappoint you. I'm a peacemaker. I will make peace. If you forget any money, if you forget to collect any money from the market women, I will help you and collect it.
You are the woman leader. Woman leader.
Women leader.
No.
Thank you.
Huh? No conclusion.
No near me.
No be your glove. No be your queen. No be your queen.
I bet they are the
What make this woman for you?
Now love. Oh, we didn't bring that.
Come out and spend.
Don't even take away.
several times that I'm not in the mood for this. Obidi, I'm not in the mood for this now. I'm not.
Why are you not in the mood? Eh? Are you seeing another man? Which one is that you are not in the mood?
Seeing another man? Do I have that time? I don't have that time, please.
Baby, you can just small, just tingle something.
Oh, Bidibo, you know exactly what I'm asking you to do for me. Do the needful. When you give me the money, I'll do what you're asking me to do for you.
Now for you.
I don't know what you're saying.
What? See, baby, I don't have a problem with giving you the money. The only problem I have now is that the money I want to give to you, you want to use it to open a beer parlor business, and I am not in support of that.
Why?
As I know, my beer parlor business, so all these men will come and be touching my investment.
Look at you. You have a very dirty mind. A terrible one at that. Listen, beer parlor business is a very lucrative one. A good business. If you don't want to give me the money to open it, I will continue to punish you. I will keep punishing you. If you bring the money, I will do what you want me to do. If you don't bring the money, I will keep punishing you. You don't want to bring it? You don't want to settle me too? Okay, when you change your mind, you know where to find me.
Meet you, leave you, for who?
Ozioma, you're lost. What is happening? What are you thinking about?
I'm not lost. I'm happy. Look at the way you are even smiling, as if you won a lottery. Please, did you win any lottery?
I did plenty.
She even left the market on time. I'm sure she didn't finish selling her food before leaving. What is it? Tell us.
My food is still inside. It's packed. But I don't care. I am the happiest woman on this earth. God has done it for me. Yes, my sister. Let me tell you something. Obidibo, my king, the king of this market, says that he loves me. And he will stop collecting ticket money from me. He made me his lord, the queen of the market. Cheru. You like this, queen of the market. How do you mean?
Ozioma, I'm sure he's deceiving you because I'm wondering how a handsome man like that would like you. I don't know.
Am I not beautiful? I am a beautiful girl. My name, Apamia. Apami hene. Parakwa ihe azuvu. Yes, we know. Why won't he love me? Why won't he love me? Nemo, you are beautiful. Okay. Just that we are finding it very difficult to believe.
It has happened. I am now the queen of the market. Before you have any place, you will report to me first before going to my boyfriend. Yeah. So it has happened. So I am believing it.
No problem.
Hey, sit down now. Sit down.
We're actually going somewhere.
Yes.
Have you forgotten?
No. Boss, why are you getting yourself worked up? Since you have decided not to give that girl the money. Beer parlor business itself is not a good one, boss. I must tell you, it's not a good one. I know bad do that idea at all.
I just want to make her happy. I just want to make her happy.
Well, you no go kill yourself now. You have tried now. You will not kill yourself, boss. You have tried. Eh? Oh, wow.
Oh, is there one mama? Is there no get you? No get you, but make I just stop my mind. Me I feel say they spend money for that girl too much. Yes, nah. Still it's no easy now. You know I be now. Go also finish every day. So go deposit money for bank. Now for Bia bank. Every day I'm for Bia bank. Because maybe walk go shop now.
Let me make this clear to you. Because I be like say you no get vision. If all my waste, na my bank account. She's my sexy investment. I see, make I tell you, Maba. Anybody wey go tamper with my investment, he's a dead man.
Boom! Boom! Boom!
What you call your buka cavity?
Come on. But no call tell me about no call this money later. Me and you guys call this money later.
What you call your buka cavity?
Come on.
Oh
no!
What is she doing here?
Hey! La.
My king. My king.
Kerifo, what is it?
Oh, my king. I brought food for you. I know you'll be hungry by now, so I cooked a very special food. Enough meat is inside. You will enjoy it.
Oyobodo.
Yo.
Collect it.
No, you throw it away. You come and carry it.
No.
Should I bring pure water?
No, I'm okay.
You're okay.
I'm okay.
Nah, there is food inside that. Do you want bottled water?
I'm okay.
You're okay. Nah, there is food in that cooler here. I'll come back and carry the cooler.
No, don't bother coming back. I will send my boy.
Him go bring him.
What did the worry yourself? Not the point. What did the worry you? Him. You know what you call your buka cavity?
Come out here. Shebi ya wetin talk.
Carry am go to bad. Wetin dey worry yourself? Wetin be your problem? No be only you dey smoke, all of us dey follow you smoke. We dey smoke, e dey worry you. Wetin
No be no dey talk say we dey smoke. No dey talk to you. You dey we want wait, I go to checkmate you for this school mo.
Hey. No. If you can talk to someone ask her to marry me. I'll be very happy and I will take very good care of her. Yeah. If you see Ozzy, if you see her, if you see her daughter, you'll be very happy.
Chukwuka, I cannot force Ozema, my daughter, to marry you. Knowing the kind of man you are. You know Ozema is the same person. Ofubo Boon. So if Ozema finds herself not to like you, it is not my business.
But you can still convince her to marry me.
Muhammad.
If she agrees, in the next Eke market day, I will come with everything, with my own now, with my kindred, go to everything in this world. We'll come with it and pay her price. Talk of the devil.
My wife, you are welcome.
Your wife? Okay, Nyarana. Stop calling me your wife. Are you not older than my father? Are you not? Why will you be calling me your wife? Do I look like your wife?
Ask him.
Respect yourself. See, if that is why you're coming here to patronize me, then stop coming. Stop buying food from me. Do you hear me? Respect yourself. Mama, warn this man. Warn Chukwukere or De Chukwukere. Warn him. Stay away from me. Stay away from my path. Stop calling me your wife because I'm not your wife. And for your information, this Ozoma here has been taken. I now have a boyfriend. Obidibo, the king of the market, is now my boyfriend. Yes, he made me the queen of the market today. So stay away. I am now the queen of the markets. Nonsense.
Hey! Do you hear that?
Don't touch me.
These people are taking my wife away from me, oh!
Don't even try to touch me again. Don't even make mistake. Chukwukere, don't make mistake. This your finger touch me again.
Hey!
Did you say? In fact, I am no longer part of your discussion. Count me out of
Hey!
Nonsense.
Hey! These people are taking my wife away from me, oh! Who is Obidibo? Obidibo now? Everyone. If I get I can but Obidibo Ndoezaza. Obidibo now. Everyone Obidibo. Obidibo now. Everyone Obidibo. It's no Obidibo. Obidibo come on against us him. Everyone Obidibo. Obidibo you die today. Obidibo na huta. Everyone Obidibo.
Dirty fool. That is to say my daughter will never change again. Eh? There is nothing good from you that Ozioma will learn. Then Ozioma will die a dirty human being. Nonsense man. Come and get out of my place. My wife, I love you. Old fool. With all your dirty habits, you want to come and marry Ozioma again. So Ozioma will never change in her life. Come and reparo.
What's up, baby? Look at you! Wow! Turn around. God damn it! Damn it! Come here.
Oh my God.
I missed you, baby.
Who owns this car?
That's one of my machine, baby.
It's a lie!
It's my
Hey!
car.
You have made it! Oh my God! I'm so happy!
Look at you.
I must ride in this car. Hey! Let me just enter and come out.
Do it, baby.
Let me just enter and come out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey! Let me go.
I'm here, baby.
Let me
I'm
go.
back for real.
The whole village has forgotten you. Hey, my baby. My baby.
Shake it,
My
baby. Shake it
My
from me.
baby.
Damn.
My baby. Hey! Baby.
I miss you, baby. I miss you.
Even more.
Looking so
Even
beautiful.
more.
So beautiful, baby.
Even more.
Look at you. Look at you, baby.
But this baby for this community. Two. So my second investment and this boy then you collect them. Such a hooker. Spoil don't collect.
I cannot tell you if one bag or not. See a man goes in the second and go buy it in the street. What's it called? This you for your mouth.
I said go last time for this community.
Who goes there? The Jones.
Hey. Nah, second.
Nah, take time,
If I tell you what I see, eh? This one boss my brain, you know, guys. You see that I always talk. Guess na scam. Ezege, if I dey talk, go be like that to dey talk. Guess na scam.
Your girl don't die. I dey fear you.
Ezege, if I tell you what I see,
Now what's happen?
hey! Ezege, I see your investment with one boy with the red like Ramsinua.
Pa! Pa!
Confirm, clear as day way.
Let's go near to Colorado.
I don't know what I talk. How many investment again? If one man. See what happen. Ezege, I know if you happy for you.
You not smoke Colorado. Go near to Colorado. You not smoke Colorado.
You know you are the love of my life. And that is why I'm so excited that you're back. Welcome.
But baby, let me get it straight, okay? Are you trying to tell me that since I left the village, that no man has been enjoying this beautiful
No. Who would do that? Yes, I know I'm very beautiful. They always come for me. But I chase them away.
For real?
Yes. None of them is to be compared with you. Because I know that I love you.
Confirm! Ezege, I tell you, confirm.
Confirm. So Ifeoma is true. Ifeoma. What's the meaning of this?
The meaning of what?
Huh? Who will this move now?
Baby. Man, who is this clown, man? Nigga, what the fuck you talking about?
Say what?
You did mad.
Huh?
Obi, please, you have to rest.
You did mad. You no get OT. He tell you for this Mbamba. Are you new in this village? Don't you know that this is my investment? Even if you don't know, don't you have sense?
Obi, what is wrong with you? I said this is my guest. You shouldn't talk to him anyhow. I don't like what
No.
Oh, but Ezeke said that about
Slap a woman.
Come on.
You lay your filthy hands on my women.
You don't do it. Hey, Mama,
Don't do
Boss, calm down. Boss, I say me calm down. I say me calm down, my boss. Just chill, calm down, I beg.
The power of a woman is capable to kill man. Women, they fuck off. I swear. You see woman? Now woman they make man, now woman they kill man.
Confirm.
Eh? So after all I did for Ifeoma, after everything, now like this Ifeoma won't take pay me. Buy one now. Oh, one.
Just believe.
Family problem. I don't tell you this thing time without numbers. That girl na scam. Eh? In fact, girls na scam. Now because of your money, that guy they come close. That girl no love you now, Luther Vandross. Girls na scam, I don't tell you.
Boss, I have told you before. That girl was never faithful to you. I told you, but you never believe. Eh? That girl they back by your life, boss. That girl just they follow you because of your small bread. I mean they tell you, boss. They just bone that girl. Just forget about that girl, boss.
Oh, da prata. See that girl? Na audio. Don't worry.
Obi.
Okay.
I've come to warn you. I have come to warn you. This thing that happened today, let it be the very last time you ever come to my house to insult me or insult any of my guests. Do you understand? As a matter of fact, I do not want this relationship again. I am done. It is over. O-V-E-R.
Over. O-V-A. Over.
Asiono, you lie. You don't lie now. Are you mad? Are you stupid?
You are hopeless.
You are mad.
You are senseless. In fact, you are insensitive.
See, Ifeoma, see, ma, I tell you, it no be because of your ways you go dey insult me. No be say I dey trip for you, they take advantage of me. No. I want for you, na fuck up now. Na fuck up. Eh? Or is it because I did not give you the money for beer parlor business? That is why you are not cheating on me now.
You don't have any right to lay your hands on me. You slapped my face because you saw me with a man. Do you know what I was doing with that man? Please, just stay on your own. That is what I've come here to tell you today. Stay on your own.
That one a small recharge card now. You don't suppose the verse. Eh? Stop getting angry.
I am angry. I have had it up to here. I am very, very angry. Stay in your space and let me stay in mine. I am tired. What is all this?
You are tired?
Yes.
You are tired?
Yes.
No wahala now. Myself, I'm tired.
Okay.
Let's do counterbalancing.
Meaning what?
Do check balancing. Everything I spent on your waist, no guy. Now what for you? We have to do the check and balance.
Do it's not only funny that you're a mugu. It is very obvious to me now that you're extremely funny. Mwah. I should give you all the money you spent on me. All the while you have been giving me money. Have you not been touching my body?
That one is free romance. Free romance is allowed.
Free
now.
Romance? Obi, you want your money? Come and take your money. Take your money! Nonsense.
Ifeoma.
Ifeoma.
Look at your face. I'm so sorry, my darling. I'm so sorry. I don't know what is wrong with Obidibo. He's so obsessed with me. He doesn't want to see me with any other person. Yet I told him to stay away from me, that I don't want to have anything to do with him. But he wouldn't just listen. Hey, look at what I've done to you now. I'm so sorry.
But baby, I just want to get this straight, okay? Are you trying to tell me that you don't have anything? I mean, anything to do with that fool?
Of course not. Obidibo, the famous village tout. Who doesn't know him in this village? I can never have anything to do with him. Please. I'm not in such class. I'm sorry.
Then he will surely pay for beating me up like this.
No, my love. Listen to me. Leave Obidibo alone. Everybody knows how horrible, in fact, how dangerous he is. I don't want anything to happen to you again. Please.
Don't worry, baby. I know how to handle this type, alright? Listen, baby. You have nothing to worry about, okay?
I have everything to worry about if you go after that man. Leave him alone.
Don't worry, baby. Come, give me a hug, okay? Come here.
Number one, I wanna number one. Na number one, make you see me ezege. Oh my ezege, me I say do to rogedo. Ezege. Ezege gewe. Eko mi o. Kumbaya ya, kumbaya. Ayagaya. Kumbaya ya, kumbaya. Kiku. Kumbaya ya, kumbaya. Ezege, kumbaya. Boom! Hey! Boom! Goes.
It's again himself. There is fire on the mountain.
What's up?
The market is on fire. Some women are fighting in the market, destroying things.
Our horses!
Wait, I don't hear you. You say what's happening?
I see some women are fighting in the market.
Women are fighting in the market.
Ezege, you need to come.
I need to come.
Yes.
So only you know if you told them come here.
Ezege, if you see me, I try now. See it from my body. I try my drag them.
Ah!
They might come.
Come on, close. It's our market.
Maintain.
Come.
Josie man.
Get that dance.
Get boss. Women they fight for my market. You know told them come here. You fine.
Ezege.
Enter market. Enter market. Told them.
Abeg one time. I use to go mash. Boom.
Boom.
One time. Our memory. For our face.
Boom. Boom. Onye obodo ozugbo gị na mbụ ga ozugbo biko ozugbo godi. No dey hear wetin dey talk my ticket. And I see mgbe nke ye
You supposed to say this boy is a bit Colorado. Onye ask the wago.
Ose wago.
See Justin man come the tell something green.
Ose wago.
Ota wago.
Mana gị nwa na adawa.
Onye na adawa. Onye obodo. Boom. Onye obodo putuo.
Focus.
You must pay your dues. Bring money for tickets.
For what? For what? Don't even start with me. You're a stupid human being. You know me very well,
my sister.
Okay.
Hey, come, you never do.
Because fine. Was she the one fighting? Why did you bring the queen of the market here?
Oh. I think the two nine is fine. We go to the market. It's not asset area.
I'm sorry, Eze, but ever since you made Ozioma here queen of the market, she has been raising shoulders as if she owns the market. But let me tell you, you will not try that rubbish with me. Shut up! Shut up!
Hey.
Eze, let me tell you. Was I was okay.
Chinelo, you are very wicked. Yes, you are a wicked girl, and I think you are jealous that I made her the queen of the market.
Oh!
Obule, it is written all over your face. You are jealous because I made her the queen of the market. Ozioma neba, Oda Achoroku, she doesn't look for trouble.
Whoa!
You are the troublemaker.
Now wow.
But you know what? I will forgive you.
But see, go. Go! We forgive you.
Go!
Get out! We forgive you.
Go!
Nonsense.
Since I was born, and now I am getting old, I have never seen anything smell like this.
Na body order na take away oh.
So this girl has started parading herself as the queen of the market.
But she never cheat on thing. You never cheat on thing. You never cheat on thing.
Do you know I actually told her not to talk? Because now one unleash the dragon. Why not?
Please, I'm looking for one stupid boy.
Fair. You're supposed to be at the market.
We've gone to the market.
Okay. Go straight. Go left. Go, you see them.
Oh, da prata.
I'm gonna go by your side, Joe.
What's that? The crash!
I saw some men on the way. They asked me the direction of your bunk. I noticed them as policemen.
Police?
Yes, I advise you now to apply the spirit of the shoot bird in Mama Fly. Leave this place immediately. Yes.
Nah, Kupu no be wrong. One leg.
Check everywhere. Was that not the boy that showed us the direction?
You mean the boy that just...
Yes, of course.
Yes.
He is.
Yeah, he is.
I think he noticed we are policemen and then ran out to help them escape. But not to worry, we'll fetch him.
Officer, I want you to do anything within your powers to get that tout arrested.
We'll get him.
Let's go.
We'll get him.
So he sent your new boyfriend to come and arrest me with the police. Hey, Informer!
Obidi, were you mad? Have you gone crazy? Have you lost your sense of time? I'm asking you. How many times have I warned you never to step your feet in my compound again? What are you doing here?
Ifoma.
Yes.
Why are you talking to me like this, ma'am? Ifoma. Ifoma, do you know you are playing with fire? Hey, Ifoma. Do you know you are playing with fire and that fire will consume you? Ifoma. Go. Balance. Or you give it to me. Every time I spent on your waist. Neme.
Balance you what? Fast! Joseph the dreamer. You must be dreaming. Balance you what? Okay, if I balance you all the money you have given to me, then you also balance me every part of my body that you have touched. You will balance me. You balance me my bum bum. I know how many times you have touched my bum bum. Balance me my breast that you have sucked. All my breasts that you have sucked. Balance me. Understand? Balance me. If I balance you, you balance me too.
Ifoma, you are playing with fire.
Nonsense.
Do you think I'm joking with you?
Who is joking with you?
Do you think I'm joking with you?
Who is joking with you?
How much
You haven't even finished me.
I'll slap
you. You have also finished me.
I'll slap you.
You can't do nothing.
I go wrong.
You can't do nothing.
No,
Boss, what are you doing now?
Hey, follow this guy.
You were down.
Thank you.
You were down.
At least I'm something.
I'll make sure you go to jail. You want to kill me? I'll make sure you go to jail.
For this thing what you do, do it! You get wait! You get wait!
I want for you. No, there's no one. I'm gonna want for you. No, you gotta do this now. Guys, don't let me die for you. Tell your boyfriend I'm coming back. Oh.
You mean he came here with his boys to threaten you?
He knows that we're looking for him.
I will surely fetch him out, wherever he is.
We'll get him.
It's okay, baby. Stop crying. I'm here now. Nothing will happen to you. Okay? Officer, make sure you do everything possible to get that boy arrested.
Get him down. It's okay.
What I've done to them.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
What is happening now? They are not here again. For the past 3 days now, no one have seen them. Are you sure they are still in this village? Because I know Obidibo. He cannot stay this long without seeing my beautiful face. Or even collecting ticket money from the market women. Are you sure he's okay? I don't even know where he lives. Just look at how dirty everywhere is. For the past 3 days now, no one have seen them.
Nah. My dear. Good morning. Please, did you see my son? You didn't see him. Hey. What do I do now? Where do I look for him? Hey, one more. Do I go back? What is... Hey, let me take this way. This way. This way. Hey. Hey. This way. Hey. Yes, I'm looking for my son.
Your son?
I've not seen him for days now.
Okay, you know what? Go home. He will come back. That is how children of nowadays behave.
Go home?
Yes, he will come back. You know?
Let me look. Let me go and look for him.
But don't worry, go home, oh? He will come back.
Hey, go home. Go home. Go home. When I've not seen my son, go home.
Yeah? Your son will return. Hey! Mama. Mama, stand up. Don't worry, your son will return. Eh? He will come back. Okay. Where is your house? Let me take you back to your house. Where do you live? You're not feeling alright.
Where do I live?
Yeah?
Okay. Not far from here.
Hey, come, let me take you home. Oh, don't worry, your son will come back. He will come. He will have hypertension.
Are you sure he will come back?
He will come. That's how children nowadays behave. Oh. Just stand up. Oh, that's how children of nowadays behave.
Are you sure? Are you sure we'll not go and look for him?
Don't worry, let's go. Let me take you home.
He might be somewhere there. Oh,
you're not feeling fine. You need rest. Oh,
okay.
Okay, let's go.
Look at you.
So your son will come back. Cups of rice is this?
It's about 6 cups of rice.
6 cups?
Yes.
Only you and your son will finish it.
My son like food. No food so much. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, let me help you. Where is the kitchen? That's the kitchen.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Hey, that's so nice of you.
Let me help you.
Thank you. Yes, he's there. He's there. He's in the kitchen there. Thank you so much, eh? God bless you so much. Hey, God will bless you for me.
Mama, this so far is very nice.
It's sweet.
Hey! You will enjoy it. Hey! Don't worry, you enjoy it. Do you want to taste?
When you finish,
yes, you will taste it.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, Mama.
Maggie? Yes. Okay. I think it's at the back.
Mama. Taste it. My food is tasteless.
This is nice, oh. Very delicious.
I told you.
You said it all?
Yes. That I'm a wonderful cook.
Exactly.
You see, in my mama put where I sell food, people come and buy my food. Ticket can I?
Try. You sell food?
Yes, now. I have a restaurant where I sell food.
No wonder. This is very nice. Very, very nice.
You know what? I'll be coming from time to time to help you with your house chores.
Hey. Thank you so much. Oh, God will bless you for me.
Thank you.
God
Don't
bless
worry,
you.
Your song will soon return. Oh? It is nice. Oh?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Mama,
thank you.
I want to use myself.
You want to use yourself?
Yes.
Okay. At the back?
Back.
Come quick, oh. So that you can come and join me.
I call you police.
Where are you coming from?
Mama, I'm sorry now. See, let me tell you, it's not my fault. True to God, it's not my fault. I've been running from Ondenwa. The police are not doing it.
Yes, sir? Police?
Yes, Mama.
Why would the police be looking for you?
Please, allow me to enjoy this.
I am not comfortable. Obi, I am not comfortable with this. Why would the police be looking for you now? Why are they looking for you?
Please allow me to enjoy this wonderful meal. Biko. What's the worry?
You people should get your own. Obi!
Mama, leave Mama now. Go and get our own. Is here your house? What is our house? I will sound you now. I'm sorry. Emela if I am you to amwa. What for you now?
Mama said you should get our own now.
How you are fighting for food? Go and get your food. There is more in the kitchen.
Let me tell you, this food doesn't taste like your food. Mama, I'm a money bone. I know you. See, Mama, even in my dreams, if I taste your food, I will know. It's not as if your food is not sweet, man.
Okay, no problem. Give me my food. Go and get your own.
Okay. Ma?
You will not kill me. Follow my shovel. Obi.
Never mind the home. I know you never you mind them.
Oh,
I'm so now. Mugima no ili kwanya. Don't
worry.
See, Mama. Whoever that makes this food, even if that person, if she's married or not, or marry her. No.
Don't worry. You will soon see the person that prepared this meal.
Boss, this food makes sense.
She will soon be here. She's coming.
Boss, this food makes sense. Die. Don't ever mix together and make this food.
You idiot. You are going to miss them. I don't get them.
That is that.
Go.
Obi!
Mama, you killed me. Mama, you killed me.
What is it?
Hey!
Okay. Get him water. Water.
Yeah.
Obi, are you okay?
I saw you give me.
Okay, what is it?
My mom water.
Boss. I want me that. Why are you doing like this?
I don't know. Obidigo.
Mama.
What is the meaning of that drama you and your friend displayed today? What is the meaning of that?
Mama, see, let me tell you, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you with Amadio, everything I have in the. I beg you, Biko. Mama, how can you? Where did you even see that girl? And why did you bring her home to kill us?
Kill what? How do you mean?
Mama, that girl stinks. Can be. She has odor, body odor. How will you even bring her? And why will she cook for us?
I noticed that something was smelling, but I didn't know it was coming from her. I didn't know it was coming from her body.
Mama, at least you've known. I beg you, let her not come to this house again.
Amame.
Eh?
Do you know why?
Why?
I promised her that she will marry me and she accepted. Eh? See. Instead, let us get a soap. There is this soap that I will buy for her. She will use it and bath. And the other week we go off.
Mama, bopu asome here. Me go di ya pes. Mama, me bopu na aso. Eh? Bopu na aso. Mama, it will not work. It will not work. That girl is not even a wife. No, man. Here na ko.
My son, she's good though. She has a good heart. And she's a wife material.
Wife, when you can try, I'm gonna work with it. Big old man, please, I beg you, if you want me to survive and live for you, let me not see this girl in this house. Period.
You will marry her.
On my work. It will not work.
It has worked.
What?
Yes. In fact, you have married her. I like her, you will marry her. What is it?
Holy Ghost, fire, oh, fire, oh, consume them. Holy Ghost, you don't go walk. You don't go walk. I will not marry her. I will not marry her.
Okay.
Ozi baby, Omali changwam, tomato juice, osenso kam, crayfish come. Man in Nugu State. Baby girl, please accept to marry me.
You're a fool. Deshkukere, you're a fool.
Degwa.
Why are you embarrassing yourself? What is all this now?
I'm not embarrassing myself, I'm okay.
What is all this? Why are you kneeling down for me?
Ozi, please marry me. I love you so much and I will take good care of you.
Deshkukere, I've told you this before.
Degwa.
I have told you this before that Ozoma here has been taken. Yes, that someone asked my hand in marriage and I agreed. So let me be.
Ozi, that person, is he going to love you as much as I do?
Of course. Obidibo loves me. Yes, he made me his queen of the market. And even his mother is in support of our relationship. So what else?
Ozi, are you sure they are not deceiving you?
Deshkukere, you have malaria. Yes, you need to go home and rest so that you get over it. Oh,
Ozi,
you have typhoid and malaria.
I cannot rest without you.
Go home and rest.
Ozi, I cannot rest without you. You are my resting point. If you are rest, leave those small boys. Their picture fly. I go.
Our people they sing, mama. They tell you true. Our people they sing song.
You won't come and join me.
I'm not into good ministry, mommy. Ba, you not gonna about Joro. Hey, we see na gwegu.
Who are you and what are you looking for?
Well, madam, I'm an inspector of Nigerian Police Force, Inspector Frank. And this is my colleague of Nigerian Police. Where is your son?
He went out. Why are you looking for my son?
Well, madam, I want you to deliver this message to your son. Tell him that he has touched the tail of a tiger. Tell him that I'll make life unbearable for him in this village. I'll stop him from getting the ticket money at the market, since he has chosen to challenge me in this village. If I see him getting an inch close to the market, I'll jail him.
Has this matter gotten to this extent? He was in jail.
Please forgive him. I am begging you. Whatever he has done to you, just forgive and forget.
Madam, tell him to stay away from me, former. Tell him to stay away from my woman. If I see your good-for-nothing son coming an inch close to my woman, let's go.
I will tell him. Let's leave the jail thing. Don't jail him for me. Please, thank you. I will deliver the message. Oh, God will bless you for me. So it's because of Ifoma. It's because of Ifoma that all of this is happening. Pity, Bo. Okay. Let him go and come back. What is even wrong with this son of mine? What is even wrong with this son of mine? Eh? What is wrong with him? Give him one number. I don't want you. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Eh? Have I not warned you to stay away from that good-for-nothing Ifoma? Eh? She is far bigger than you. Let her be.
But Mama, I love her. For me and Anya now. Eh?
You will be digging your grave there.
Mama, be a grave. But good first. See, Mama, let me tell you. If Ohama and her new boyfriend think they can play with me, they are only playing with fire. I am Obidibo, the king of the market. Now, I am not scared of the police, not even one.
Obidibo, stop this. Stop this! See, don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. Let that girl be. There are other girls in this village. What is your problem?
Mama, I will not let her be.
You will.
She is my sexy investment.
You will let her be.
I will not let her be. I will not let her be. I will not let her be. Mama, when I was busy depositing, also Obi, ego week. Some nakia. Obi, phone, some nakia. You did not tell me anything, no. It's not that you are telling me I should let her be. She's my sexy investment, Mama Obidibo. Be what? If I'm going to get them come, you and your boyfriend, you people, you will balance me. Yes. Big happen market. See, let me tell you, Ifoma is my sexy investment. Onye na like le oje wo lo to ayo wo share corner wall. Can you please, obu when needing, you give me. I am losing color. No change to say color. You don't want to give me food. Let me return to my headquarters.
Boss, I don't understand again. What's in the happen now? For some days now, we have been hiding from police. What's happening now? Boss. For how long now, boss? For how long will we continue like this now, boss? I don't understand again. I don't tire.
Nah, someone pay you, man, no get joy. Zega need that beauty that happen here now. Eh? See, community will be everywhere good, we all everywhere done. Suddenly they break everywhere just for us. Eh? Ticket will be collect the all our side. We need even collect our
nothing.
Everywhere just block. Nah, that's so good day. That's so good day.
Nothing.
Nah, me I don't tire. No get joy you. When you're done. Chikata. Brother. Onye obodo.
Make una suppress. Make una put on a temper. See, make I tell you. They know they use speed. Rush into ministry, because if you use speed rush into ministry, they go use you do JJT. Pastors go use you do JJT. See, make I tell you, you see these people, you they run for police.
Police we are now.
We know they run for police now. We just spam one side, shaking it like say. Now what for you? You get the code now. We know they run for me.
I believe
me.
You.
Me will be Obidigbo.
No, I believe you.
King of the ghetto, king of the streets, king of.
We
dey here the year of our scores for Lagos. Wetin dey happen, bros?
I believe you, boss.
Now what for you? Me, I know say I get soldier friends wey be say if I don't put them call like this, they believe my swag die. Say as they be, they go put body.
Oh! What for you? Madam, I believe you. I know you. I know your ways.
Boss, I believe you die.
Oto. You see that day? That day, personal me go fall out for chamber. And answer publicly say, arise the children of Sadosi, for the king from Sadosi don't land. Oto, you get corner. Da prata. Make them come. First come. Make them put body.
Ezeke will do with you. Make them put body. Nobody fit trial the capability of my boss and still remain the same.
You see, I'm reasoning.
That's still number one.
Reasoning.
Confirm.
Ha!
This thing is really getting out of hand. How do I come out of this mess? The worst part is that these boys believe in me so much. Hey, Obidigbo. Anyway, I think I know what to do.
I want to light.
Oh, Ezeke. No, you. How we do here now?
A small challenge.
I'm so happy the way you are handling Obidigbo's case. I want that fool to pay for every single thing he did to us. He has to pay.
He will, baby. I'll so deal with that fool that he will never cross my path ever again. He won't dare try it.
You almost strangled me the other day simply because I told him to stay away from me.
Can you imagine?
I told you that guy is a tout.
You know what, baby? You know what I'll do to that fool? I'll make sure he rots in jail. I'll even tell the inspector to cut off his legs. His 2 legs.
Eh? 2 legs? Now don't do this more quarrel that we just had. Chairman Olubenu no dey here now. Olubenu no dey here. Eh? Olubenu no dey here.
I'll make sure he rots in jail.
Yes.
I'll even tell the inspector to cut off his legs. Hey, what are you doing here?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I did to you. Please forgive me.
Obidigbo. Hey!
Sorry, Ifeoma. Sorry.
Obidigbo. So you can beg. King of the markets. King of touts. So you can actually humble yourself and beg before your fellow man. Hey! Are you sure we are not dreaming?
Really? Come. Let's come. There. Really? I thought you said you're not afraid of anybody. That no one can stop you from selling your ticket at the market.
Baba, I beg now. Please forgive me. See that from there I defeat my mama. I beg now.
You know what?
Sir.
I'll forgive you.
Thank you.
But you see this ass?
Yes, sir.
If I see you come an inch close to this ass ever again, I swear to God I'll fuck you up now. Bounce.
Bounce!
I said bounce!
He said bounce! Bounce!
Keep walking.
My baby said bounce! Bounce! Idiot. My love.
But I will get joy. Now my hustle make my mama get joy.
You can't handle this ass.
I run the streets.
Only you can.
This ass is too big for that nigga.
And when I pass, make you hail the king of the night. Hail the king of the market. Hail the king of the market. The king of the market. Hail the king of the market. to pay your bills.
Oh,
money for ticket, because men no go dey born. Ezege bubu ezege, ngosiki ezege bubu ezege. Pay your ticket.
What are you doing here? Who is even your love? Eh? You must be very stupid. You stink.
Sit down.
Pay your ticket, cause men no go dey born. Ezege bubu ezege, ngosiki ezege bubu ezege. Oya, pay your ticket, cause men no go dey born.
I swear to God, I fuck up. Man, you fuck up. And I don't even know what this dirty girl is still doing here. Huh? God, hope she's not coming to meet me. Hey, she's actually coming to meet me. I am finished.
Obim, I understand how you feel. I know what you did there was not intentional. Yes, Mama have told me everything. She told me what you were passing through. It's not the end of the world. Police will not do you anything. You own the market. You are the king of the market, so don't be scared. You're the king and I am the queen. You know, our God in heaven is in control. Oh?
Thank you.
No problem. I have to go now. I have to go. I'll come back later. You know? Let me go. I'll come back.
Darkness of lipstick, upon saying a fine girl, upon saying a hot cake, she just the smell around. When she pass, people go shout.
Don't you eat who do to one in Cabia? To man, Nakedengwa. Who do you be a guy?
Boss, too much. How for you? In fact, you are the king of this market, and very soon they will crown you the king of this community.
How for you?
Okay. Boss, wait. It means say you silence Mike and Ekelebe.
That one a small package now.
Boss, I believe you die. Boss, you too much.
No, wait.
Boss, you too much. Boss, you too much.
Wait.
Boss, you too much. You too much.
Wait.
You too much. Boss,
if you like say una no believe me.
Boss, you too much.
Wait, I want to know. Una no believe me. Because I tell you, say. Now one for you. They see me, everybody cool like ice fridge.
For you.
Boss, you too much. Boss, get away you. Boss, I say make you get out. You too much. Boom.
Ototo da prata. Ototo yara.
Boss, in fact, the day when they go crown you the king of this community, in fact, all I canvas will be vast. It makes you to say, now we lose our willow, why?
Hey!
Sit down.
Hey!
Never that you're archiving anything for you, what will they talk?
Ezege, me my own joy be say, finally, we don dey free to collect our ticket money.
Yes, now.
Our memory.
Yes,
very important. It is as I dey march, they come with my soldiers. Okay! Everybody don't blow like Davido. Now one for you, if you see their colored eye, you just be like say they fish attachments. People confirm now. As Mike and so as they sunsh me like this, as they just see me, they just go like fish where they just come up from cold room. He begin they put in hand. He join in hand like this, they say, Obi.
Boss, I miss you.
I am sorry. Please forgive me. I say, No be the boy they talk. He say, yes. I am sorry. They say na in drink. The day when they follow me, they say na drink when drink.
They say I love you with the heart.
Now what for you?
I love you.
Now what for you? I up them their clothes now. What? Everything. Everybody come.
Boom! Boom! Da prata. You don't wait. You are the king of this community.
Good day. Madame. How far from my matter?
If I the yam, no they follow. They know they talk about it for here. If I'm an old chapter now, I don't use and settle that boy. She didn't say name na Mike. I use and settle him now.
Ezege, how much you don't invest for that matter? All the money we invest inside, how far?
Forget me, I know what thing I they do, man.
Suppose we draw no. That thing, suppose collect that money.
I know what thing I they do. Forget.
One way or the other, suppose collect that money.
Mama. It's me. Oh my God.
Let me tell you. Listen, I've heard enough of you. I have heard enough of you. I hate you. What's wrong with you, sir? What's wrong with you? I hate you. In case you haven't noticed that, I hate you because you stink. You know, Sissy.
I'm working. I was opening. Are you? But you told me that you love me.
I don't love you. Man like only Sissy. Inesi can be. Inesi too. Get out of here. Get out of my house. You boy for you. Carry. Hey.
What is it? Mama, why are you crying? What happened? I'm just coming from your house. It's a pretty boy, your son. He insulted me. He called me all sorts of names. He even chased me out of the house that I shouldn't come to your house again. What? Yes. Would he do that? What did you do? What is it? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Let us go back. No. Let me go and know why he did this. No, I won't go back to the house again. I won't go back to the house. It's okay. Come on, let us go. Ozioma! Ozioma! Hey. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? Why did you send us away? Huh?
Mama, please, I'm tired of seeing that girl here. I'm tired of seeing her here. Eh? Mama, that girl stinks. Honestly, too. I don't want to see her in this house again.
Lie. Yes. You are a bloody liar. You will see her and you will continue to see her. Listen, let me tell you. All I want you to do now is to go and bring her back and apologize to her. Else, I will not be happy with you in this house. I will not be happy with you in this house.
Okay. Obi the boy, because you are not. I'm not sure you are talking to me. All I want is for you to go and apologize to that girl. Bring her back. It will not work, Mama. It's not going to work.
Biko, bring Wu back.
Obidibo, it has finished working because you will bring her back and apologize to her. Obidibo. Obidibo.
Obidibo.
Obidibo. Obidibo. This thing you are doing, I don't like it. I don't like this thing you are doing. You will not like me in this house, oh. Obidibo. You will never like me.
Mama Obidibo.
Okay.
In Abano wine.
Okay.
Go and marry her now. You can still marry her. Yes?
Ozim, where is she? Would you believe her? Huh? Cannot sleep without her.
Hi. Chukukere, you are disturbing me. Eh? You're disturbing my ears, you're disturbing my head. In fact, you're disturbing my life. Ah! I am tired of sitting down here with you. Maybe I should go inside and rest. Ah, what is it?
You better tell me where.
Stop touching me. Do you want to push me out of this place?
I'm not touching you. In fact, I don't know what I'm doing. I cannot stay without her.
Chukukere, wait until she comes back. Eh? When she comes, you ask her. I don't know where she went to. Go zoo. If you can't wait, Nabi.
I'm not going anywhere. In fact, I will stay here until she comes back. Man, neighbor, Nata. Get it there. I cannot stay without this girl. Ozim. Hi.
Hi.
Don't come and add your problem to my problem now.
Now I've been waiting for you since morning.
Yeah, okay, Rana, respect yourself. Don't come and add more injury to my pains. Respect yourself. Better leave.
Show me the injury. I will cure it now. Wait.
I am not in the good mood. Leave me alone. I am not in the good mood.
Let me put you in the good mood now. I'm here with the mood. Hey. Okay. You went inside. I'm going to stay here. Man, you must marry me. If I don't marry you, no one else. Or what are you going to do about that? Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you the truth. I will not go here. I will sleep over. Nonsense.
To talk to me since yesterday. When you know you are the only one that can cheer me up when I am not happy. Chelo, wow. Mama, don't tell me it's because of Ozioma.
Yes! It is because of Ozioma. Go and apologize to her. That is the only way I can forgive you. Go and apologize to Ozioma. What is it?
Mama, why are you doing this? Why are you forcing me on a girl that I don't like?
But I like her.
Oh, God.
I like her. Go and apologize to her. If not, I will not talk to you. Go and apologize to her. That is the only way I can talk to you in this house. Else, stop talking to me. Don't.
try.
You will try?
I will try, Mama.
That is, you will go and apologize to her and bring her back.
Mama, I will try.
Good. Hey! Obidi wonwamo. Ezi wonwamo. Hey! Hey! Now you are talking. You can see now that your mother is happy. And when your mother is happy, you will be happy too. See, I like that girl. And I want you to like her. She has a good heart. That is what matters. I know it is because of the smell. Eh? You forget it. I told you I would do something about it. I'm a little woman. Hey.
Ozzy.
What are you doing here? I thought you chased me away from your house. I should not come to your house again. I'm smelling. What are you doing here now?
Ozzy, I'm sorry. Come on, I'm sorry for what I did the other day. I just don't know what came into me. I just don't know what came over me. It's just a transfer of aggression. Please, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I forgive you. You know I cannot bear grudges against you. You're my boyfriend, the man I love.
You love me?
I love you, of course. With all my heart. With all my heart. Inside here.
What have I gotten myself into?
You say? What did you say?
No, it's my mother. You know, she has been worried about you. Yes, she's very sick.
She's sick?
Yes.
What is wrong with her? Is it that serious?
No. Just that she has been missing you.
Oh.
Yes.
Just that she's missing me.
And she wants to see you.
It's okay. You know what? I am cooking. You know I'll go to the market tomorrow. So I'm preparing my things, my market. Eh? Don't worry, I'll come and see her tomorrow. If I do not come this evening, I'll come and see her tomorrow. Or you come so that we'll go together. Yes, if you do not see me, you come. But if you do not come, I will not come. Will you come? Are you sure?
I'll come.
Bye. I forgive you, yeah? I'm no longer angry with you. You know I love you. Yeah?
I love you too.
You don't hug me.
Osama the wash clothes. She be white for material, but she know the green bath. Ajin babu etoju, ajin kan se etoju kwa. Osama ngwa popo no ya, osino ne me ya tinini tanana. Osama no de ba.
My daughter is back.
Good evening.
Hey, thank you. You're back.
Mama, I heard that you're not feeling fine. What is wrong with you?
It's because of you that I'm sick. But now that I've seen you, I'm okay.
I miss you too.
And I miss you. I miss you. Take the water inside.
Hey, Mama, you see he apologized. So,
good.
I'm no longer angry with him.
Good. Hey, that is good. Now I am happy.
What do you want to do with the water?
I want to use it to wash something.
Yeah.
Yourself, take it.
Don't worry, I'm here now. I'll clean everything.
I trust you. That is why I wanted you back. By all means.
Osama the wash clothes. She be white for material, but she know the green bath. Ajin babu etoju, ajin kan se etoju kwa. Osama ngwa popo no ya, osino ne me ya tinini tanana.
This is why I always stop.
The push can person be this she know the green brush her teeth.
You
She goes scratching. But she no go greet you back.
Kedu obi di Igbo ka ọ bịa afọ ezigbo nwa azụ n'azụ o, not the former. Na-afụwa anya. Ndị ala. Jisike nwa mbụ. Jisike. Chai. God bless you. Yes. Why won't I be happy? Tell me, why won't I be happy? You want to wash for me? She just smell around. When she pass, people go shout, say, waiting this smell. I have found a wife in you. Don't mind Obidibo. I have found a wife in you. You are a wife material. He had a mad so. Okay, Nede. She be wife for material, but she not the grip of.
What about your father?
He went out. What about the money you promised to bring for me? I've been waiting for you to bring it out, but you haven't brought it out yet.
Don't worry about the money, baby, okay? You know, I got a lot of things at hand to fix, okay? My container is on the way. And I got a lot of goodies for you in there. Smile for me, baby.
Okay. Oh. So what about the phone you promised to buy for me today? Since you did not bring the money, where is the phone?
Oh, that. Baby, about the phone. I actually got the phone, yeah. But it's in the room, okay? But you know what? Let's say next tomorrow, yes. Next tomorrow I got your phone, okay?
You bought the phone?
Yeah, sure.
And you knew you were coming here?
Baby,
and you left it in your room?
I forgot it.
You did well.
Baby, are you okay?
Very okay.
Mama. Nne, darling.
No.
Oh, Mama, did you wash my dirty clothes and clean my room?
Me wash. Is Ozioma that did all that?
What? Nne, you are not that dirty girl to touch my clothes. Anyone?
Shut up your mouth. Let you go on, sir. What is wrong with you? Between both of you, who is dirty? She helped you to clean the room that you have not washed, not touched, swept for days. And you are complaining.
Mama Biko, wow. Go. Tell that girl not to touch my things again. Tell her not to let her not touch my things again, though.
Shut up, oh! Shut up! I said keep quiet. Is she not better than that useless informal girl? The one that I heard you have been spending your money on. Is she not better than her? Huh?
Mama, why are you like this? Mama, why are you like this? Must you remind me what I've forgotten? Why will you remind me about my sexy investment?
Also, sexy investment. Ginonya, what are you investing? Eh? Hey, because sim new also.
Huh?
I think it's sim new report.
Sim new
report. Since you are not making sense. Since you don't like what I like, sim new report.
I'm not making sense.
Yes.
I'm not making sense.
What is wrong with her? A girl that has good mind, good character, a wife material.
I'll ask you this question for the last time. Mama, no, just tell me to walk out. You don't want to say anything. You see it. Me in idiot.
My daughter, this thing I've been meaning to tell you is very important. Even the last time you came, I wanted to tell you, but I couldn't. See, my daughter, you know you are a girl. A beautiful one at that. So it is very good for you to always keep yourself clean. So that you won't be smelling. Body odor. See, I want you to get good soap. Very good one. Use it and take your bath regularly, morning and night. Your teeth, I also want you to be brushing it morning and night, so that people won't be perceiving any odor from your body. It's not good for a lady. Yes.
Do I really have body odor?
Hey! Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. Yes.
But I don't perceive anything now.
But we do. And it's not good for a young lady to pass someone and she's smelling. It's not good. At all.
But Mama, I am not perceiving anything now. I'm not perceiving anything.
Okay, listen. When last did you brush your teeth last? 4 days ago. Hi!
4 days ago, yes.
How can you say that? For a young lady like you, stay up to 4 days before brushing your teeth. Uzioma, it is wrong.
No, Mama, it is not wrong. It's good.
What is good about it?
It's good for the teeth.
How?
Yes. Mama, I prefer using twin stick instead of brush. Using brush is very risky for the teeth. Yes. Mama, brush will pull off your teeth. Look at my teeth now. They are shaking. So I don't want to use brush anymore.
It's okay. When last did you take a bath? Your bath, when last did you take it?
My bath?
Yeah.
3 days ago.
What is wrong with you? 3 days?
Yes.
Without bathing? Ozioma. No, that is wrong. It is very wrong.
How, Mama?
You'll be smelling.
No, I don't smell. Mama, I wash my private parts very, very well. Yes, don't you know that too much of bathing can make someone sick?
Says who?
Yes. It will cause runny nose. It's good you bathe with hot water sometimes, not all the time.
Ozema, listen. That is a lie. That is not true. It's not true. My daughter. You know I love you so much.
I love you too.
I don't want to lose you. I don't want you to lose my son. And if you don't want to lose my son, you have to keep yourself clean. Yes. See, my son is complaining bitterly about this, your dirtiness. So. He's complaining bitterly about it. He said you smell a lot and he doesn't like it.
Did you say that?
Irritates him, yes. Hey, you are talking. Love you so much. See, don't look at that complaint. The only complaint you know is because of the other. As soon as you start becoming clean now, he will fall in love with you.
Really?
Yes.
What kind of bed is this that Ozoma is back? Ozoma is using for that bathroom.
She just the smell when she pass. People go shout, say, waiting the smell. She know they wash her panty.
Ozoma, you want to finish all my water? No. Ozoma. Hey. I am sure something is wrong somewhere. Somebody must have insulted you. Hey, let this insult continue so that Ozoma can take it. Ozoma! Ozoma, you want to finish my water? I'll get it back. Ozoma, I don't have water in this house.
Which kind of person be this?
God, I'm still begging you. I am still begging you. Whosoever it is that did this to Mama, God bless that person. Can't get what I want, sir. Too bad is the problem. Mama, keep my water. You will go to street today, go to all the boreholes in this place and fetch water and fill that place for me. In our side, if we bet you.
She just the smell around when she pass. People go shout.
This one is beyond best. Is that the body you have been washing on?
She know they wash her panty. Osiama, go and back to wash. Osiama, ole siko kiri. Osiama, the cook food. Osiama, the wash clothes. She be white for material, but she know the grip of Ajin Babu Toju. Ajin come say Toju. Osiama, Wapofono, I see no name in the Tanana. Osiama, no de Osiama, you. Now, which kind of person be this? Osiama, she know the grip brush her teeth. But Osiama go like to kiss you. She go scratch. Osiama, but she no go greet you back. Osiama go on back.
I take it easy, don't vomit. Don't vomit your throat. What am I?
Osiama the cook food. Osiama the wash clothes. She be white for material, but she know the grip of Ajin Babu Toju. Ajin come say Toju. Osiama Wapofono. I see no name.
Come on, inside.
Osiama no de.
Come on, let me smell it.
Which kind of person be this? Osiama, she know the green brush her teeth.
Oh! God, I thank you. Only whosoever it is that insulted you and made you have this change, God will continue to bless that.
For she no go greet you. Osiama, where they smell.
Chelu. Eh? Ndasi bakute. Gossips.
Chelu.
What are you guys doing here?
It has not got into that. Eh? This one you are well dressed today. Where are you going to?
Are you guys here to see me? Or you're here to laugh at me?
Are we not friends again? Of course we came to see you. Giwa.
Yeah? Okay. For your information, Kampa Sarunia. Okay? I am going out to see Obi the boss mother.
Obi the boss mother.
Hey.
She asked me to come and cook for her.
Who's your man? Has he got into that? If I forgot to
because you girls are here to spy on me. Of course. But no problem. Just watch me walk. Can't walk. I'm here.
Ozzy, I am not done yet. Wait, so you mean you now visit Obidibo in his house? Even getting close to his mother?
Nah, it has happened.
Surprising.
Oh, you said I'm not beautiful. Isn't that what you just said? No. That I'm not beautiful. That I stink. Stinking. I stink. Now it has happened. Obidibo is my boyfriend. And I'm going to cook for his mother. Oh, then watch me walk at work. Eh? Oh dear.
She just the smell around. When she pass, people go shout, say, what's in
Mama! Mama! Oh.
Ah, Ozioma, it's you. Ewo. Ozioma,
Mama.
is this you?
Yes.
You are looking so good, so nice.
Thank you very much.
Hey, you see, this is how I want you to be looking. Ishoma, is that coming from you?
Yes, Mama. I went and bought perfume for myself so that I'll be smelling very nice for my obidubu.
That is good.
Mama, the name of my perfume is Kiss Me Quick.
Ijiye. Yes, so that every minute he see you, he'll be kissing. Good. Hey, now you have come. I love this. You should keep it up, oh. Don't stop, oh.
No, Mama. Where is my love for Bibibu?
He just went out, oh. He actually went to see his friends.
Let me go and look for him. Yes.
You can't wait for him?
No, I can't.
Oh, where's the gate? Wait for him to come back.
No.
I'll get it. Hey, good. Go and show him. Hey. Nekwe nwa nekwe so Oma licha. Now you have come. Let me see why my son will not fall in love, deeply in love with you. Now, Ijana Siki 1. You have won this battle. Siki 1. Hey! Chimo!
Mike, why are you so stingy? What kind of a stingy man are you? I mean, what is all this? The money I asked you for over 2 weeks ago, you have not given me. The phone you claimed that you bought and forgot at home, you did not bring it with you. What is wrong with you? Why are you so stingy towards me? What is all this? Eh?
Ifoma, calm down, okay? I have told you to stop rushing me. Yeah. All I'm waiting for is for my container to arrive. Yeah.
I have told you to stop rushing me. Please. Stop this fake accent of yours, which I don't even know where you got from. Ever since you came back from this your so-called Obodoyibo, you have not given me 1 naira kwacha. Yet you call yourself my boyfriend. Every day you be coming here, be touching me. Yet you cannot give me 1 naira. What kind of a man are you? Oh my God! I was just so stupid. I got deceived by your cars and your fine dresses. If I wasn't looking this fine, would you have come to me, Mike? Would you have even looked my way? What kind of a stupid and stingy man are you? 1 naira, kwacha. You have never given me ever since you stupidly came back from your so-called Obodoyibo. Leave this place, oh. Leave this place. Stupid man.
Ifoma.
Don't go. Stay here, let my father see you. He will use your head for dinner. Stupid idiot. Who don't even know if you went to borrow a car? Who knows if what all these dresses and this car you're coming with, whether you borrowed them?
Ifoma.
Nonsense. Obidibo, please. I am in my worst mood right now. I don't want to talk to anybody. Leave me alone.
Baby, they are not now. Huh? Melo now. Melo for me now. What is it? Are you in need of money? If you are in need of money, let me give you money.
Don't give me. Don't give me. If I want money, Mike will give me. He's very able and capable. Yes. Obidibo, what is this?
Are you blind? This is my babe now. Huh? Baby?
So?
This is from my ex.
Hey. Wait, so you have gotten a replacement so soon?
Oh, for you want me to be waiting for you? Do you want me to be waiting for you? Eh? No, for you, in case you've not even heard the news. We are getting married now, very soon. Yes, now.
Well, unfortunately, I am not jealous of your replacements. As your chiria, why are you in Kebara about your real was? Okay, for our disgusting. Disgusting. Nonsense. You stink. You stink. Rubbish.
Say it again.
You stink.
You stink.
You stink. Oh shit. Stink. Oh shit.
John jealousy.
Are you sure we're getting married?
Oh, so we're getting married now.
How do I look?
Very fine.
Hey.
Baby, you know, baby, I want for you.
Are you sure?
I want for you.
Mama said I'm fine.
You have full option. I want for you. She doesn't even have bonbon. Look at the bonbon.
Hey, where have bonbon?
Your own bonbon, the demarcation is like swimming pool. Do you think you have bonbon? Come and see waist. This one is.
Is it shaking? Is it shaking?
Came and took away my luck. What did I do to this man? Now I don't have a video. Neither do I have the mic. I'm going to punish that mic. I'm going to punish him.
Wait, let me ask you something. Do you really mean that thing that you told Ifeoma today? That we are getting married very soon?
No. Yes, of course, no.
You want to marry me?
No one to marry me. But don't tell anyone. It's a secret. Don't leak it, oh.
Secret, quoi?
No.
Even your mother shouldn't tell your mother.
Man, I need to go for it or just say, man, I want to come. What is our one? Now, I don't want you to tell anybody.
Yes, my mouth is like this. I will not tell anybody. It's a game.
It's a game.
Yes.
Because you see that lady you saw? She's my ex. Yes, now.
I know now. People say that you used to love her very, very well, and you like her. You call her your sexy investment.
That was in the past. Now you are my sexy Bugatti. That was in the past. I want to make her jealous. Yes, now. We will keep frustrating that girl in this village. Yeah.
You want us to make her jealous?
Now.
Yeah, you're gonna make Obi now quiet.
It's
a game. It's a game. If you I'm my choco, they will commit suicide. Ruben, I want to go to the market. It's getting late. I want to go and buy food stuff for my mama put tomorrow. My market. You know my perfume, my spray perfume.
Now.
You perceiving it?
Maliza now on a baby now.
The name of my perfume is Kiss Me Quick.
Is it Kiss Me? I thought it's Maliza. Kiss Me Quick.
Baby, go.
Come on, Snoop. You're not making a one.
I wonder.
Boss, may I ask you, what kind of game are you playing with this dirty girl? I thought you have forgiven you formally. What kind of game is this now?
That one is a question or what?
Boss, I dey ask now. I want
before I answer your question, let me go back to this nigga.
Boss, I have good nigga now. I know we talk within the important. Leave the nigga now, boss. I beg.
Then back to the question that you asked me now that you've replied. You see, Ifoma, I still love and care about her.
Boss,
I still love and care about her. But trust me, very soon she'll be the one. Obviously, please. I will not forgive her. Trust me.
You just the back to Baba everywhere. Anyway, now you get bread now. Anybody where you cut give, you go collect.
That one for you.
Now you get the bread.
Brother, this your dressing now. To go there, a Christian.
If this my dressing.
Hey!
Daughter, let's be fast with this, so you know Obidibo will soon come back, so that you have something to eat. You know that boy, that son of mine loves food so much.
Mama, Mama, I want to tell you a secret.
A secret?
Yes.
What could that be?
But promise me that you not tell anyone.
Yeah.
Not even Obidibo, your son.
Okay, I promise. Come out with it. What is it?
Swear first. Swear. Do like this. That you not tell anyone. Not even him.
I should swear?
Yes, swear.
Okay. 2 times. So what is it? What is it? Tell me. Out with it. Out with it. My ears are itching me.
Mama.
Yeah?
Obidibo has proposed.
Are you serious?
Yes.
He proposed?
Yes.
Hey! That is good.
Yes. But he said I should keep it a secret too. I shouldn't tell anyone. Not even you.
Okay. Then in that case, I will not tell you that I know about it. Yes, until he tells me with his own mouth. You see what I told you? I told you that as soon as you start keeping yourself clean, that everything will change and my son will fall in love with you. It has happened though. It has happened.
He said so. Yes. Mama, don't worry. Okay. I'll go and buy fine clothes for myself.
Good.
I'll buy sexy clothes.
Hey, Idia.
I'll look very nice.
You know they were
very
clean.
Fine for you.
They were clean.
They were clean. Mama, do you know he like big bum for me? I will be shaking my bum for him too.
The bum is okay now. It's okay for
Are
him.
you sure it's okay?
Yes, as soon as you dress this well, you know those kind of clothes that will bring
it out. It will
yes,
shake it.
It will show. And you love it. That's good.
Thank you.
Hey, this is good. I'm so happy. At last. I told you. I trust you now. You are a very good cook. I know.
You like it.
I know. You are a very good cook. I know.
You are disturbing me.
Papa Ozi, can we now?
No, he's not my father. He's Beach cooking.
Hey, Beach cooking, how far?
Hey, Mama, this is Obidibo.
Obidibo,
my boyfriend I was telling you about.
Welcome, my
Get to see you.
Obidibo. So, you're Obidibo that want to take my wife away from me? You, listen and listen good. Stay away from her. Unless we didn't go. If you're playing with your life, stay. But if not, stay away from her. She's mine. You know what I'm
Keep quiet. Who is your wife? Who belongs to you? What is wrong with you? Are you not old enough to be my father? What does it serve? Please stay on your own. Oh. Mama, want this man? What is your problem now? Why do you want to spoil my thing? Why do you want to spoil this thing for me now? I have told you countless times that I'm not your wife. Obidibo here is my boyfriend. I've told you.
coming for your thing. I cannot spoil your thing now.
You don't mind him. You share each other mind.
Listen.
Please. Chukukere, sit down. Sit down. I understand how you feel. And that is why you must calm down and take it easy. Chukukere, you and I knows too well that my daughter Ozioma here never accepted your proposal.
Even another one.
Eh? And she never liked you. She's entitled to her choice. Allow her make her choice.
Oh.
Eh? What is it now?
Nonsense.
My son.
I'll go put you on there.
You are welcome.
Dalo.
Please, I want to ask you again. What kind of friend are you to my daughter? Eh? Because I don't like the men that will come and deceive her.
No, Mama, he's not deceiving me. Ay, don't say that again. Please don't say it again. Mama, this is Obidibu, the king of the market. He made me his queen. He loves me with all his heart. Yeah, don't go there.
Look at your mouth. Mama, no, you know your friend. Look at the person I call your friend. Bush red, black, what? Like a native doctor. Don't here. Look at it.
Okay. See, let me tell you, nothing concerns GUO and young shall grow. If you old more than more, young shall grow.
No, you get the pope. You want to marry a witch doctor? Stop calling me there. Chuchu. Mungo. Look at your child. Come and go. Come and go. What's him?
Leave my house.
What's him?
Leave my house.
What's him?
Leave my house.
I will go and come back. If you will go to the book. Ma gba ino obi na agwa agwu o de wa gbo gini nga agwa onye mbu munye nke choro igboro ina acha ka ife akara aka mmano opupa.
You carry 25 packs for Bele. My baby. Why can you bring me here to embarrass me?
No, I did not know. Mama, please talk to him now. See, I don't even know who he is. He's just my normal customer that comes to eat my food. And he's calling me his wife. Okay, don't be angry, yeah? Yeah? What do you want to drink? Let me get for you.
No, because anything.
Small stout.
I don't like alcohol, but give me stout.
You don't like alcohol.
Give me stout. See, I don't want to see this man here again, no. Eh? Look at the call. Did he call in a walk? Eh? No. You people should not allow this kind of man into this compound. My way.
I don't like that young man. He looks more like a rascal. He doesn't look responsible at all.
No, Mama, don't say that again. Obidibo is a nice person. Yes.
Obidibo?
Yes. He's from a responsible home. Mama, Obidibo loves me with all his heart. He even proposed to me. Yes, but he asked me to keep it as a secret.
Eh?
Yes.
And you think telling you to keep it a secret is the right thing?
Mm-hmm. There's nothing there.
Eh?
There's nothing wrong with it.
Ozioma, stay away from that young man. He is of no good at all.
Mama, no, I love Obidibo and I was married. Period.
Ozioma, don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I don't want you. It is better you marry Chukukere. I know that loves you genuinely. Instead of this one that has 1,000 colors of hair. Akwachapa and go. Okakwa woman or Chukukere.
She knows the rock pancake. Darkness of lipstick. Upon saying a fine girl. Upon saying a hot cake. She just the smell around. When she pass, people go shout, say, waiting they smell me. She know they wash her panties. Osiama, go and back. Osiama, Olesi go giri.
How do I look?
You look beautiful.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. Hey, let's go. Hey. See, in that case, you will escort me to somewhere. Don't say no.
Then where could that be?
Eh?
Where could that be?
When the time comes, you will know. Eh?
No,
I will see you know you are the queen of the market and I am the king of the market. Remember? You want all that back?
Yes.
Let's see, baby.
Let's go.
Hey, where's my bag? Hey, let's see, baby. Hey, baby, you. Baby, this is ready. Hey, this your waist will make me to sell my mother's house.
Eh? That is, you like what I'm
Yes, now. You are the queen of the market and I am the king of the market.
I know.
Let's go. Let's go, people say so.
Wait, don't rush like that.
Hey, what can you see? Hey, no. You are the queen of the market.
And you're the king of the market.
Eh?
So let's walk majestically.
Hey! Hey! Best couple of the year. Baby, you.
I am the king. I rule the market. But I don't get joy. I'm the hustle back to my market joy. I run the streets. You defeat. And when I buy, make you hell the king of the
That's how I dance. On my traditional. Hey, Obidibo! Hey!
Baby, come on, try for me.
Hey! Okay, you there. Come on, what's the meaning of this nonsense? What's the meaning of this madness? Now get out of this compound. What's the meaning of this madness? Get out. Get out! I'm not going anywhere. You're jealous. Okay. Boyfriend snatcher. Boyfriend snatcher. Nonsense. You're coming into my compound to spite me. Because of what? Hey, you're taking him, take him. But don't come here again too. Hey, go now one item. Chineke kokwaru no. Hey, go na. Ya kwa kami unfu 1 naira na mafanya. Ndala. Come and take the money. Ana ba wucha ku na eba. Who na show you need the press. Nonsense. Come and take the money. Can you imagine? Eh? Going to my compound to spray somebody money. Hey, guy, now you go. Hey! You're a very useless man. Baby, what have I done to you in this life that you will not let me be? You have succeeded in chasing my Obidibo out of my life. And now you are here with your big motor and empty pockets.
Oh.
Bring 1 naira, you will not bring. What are you doing here?
So finally you've agreed you had something to do with that local village tout, right?
Oh yes. And that local village tout is 100 times better than you are. All your promises to me, which one have you fulfilled? You promised me phone. You promised me money. Your pockets will be empty. You're a shameless man. And you stupidly drove this borrowed car of yours to my compound again. To do what? Can you hear me?
Informer,
Joy killer.
you see the phone you're asking for? You come.
With your fake assets. Nonsense. Every day. Promise and fair. I'm going to hack on. Then I'm going back. I don't know what to be here. No, I will not take it.
This is the phone. I promised you. You can still have it if you want to. The money you asked for was nothing. I was only delaying just to get to know you better. But you know what? I have confirmed what people have been telling me. You're gonna go and date your local tout. I'm done with you.
Wait, Mike, wait. Wait now.
Yeah, if you did come an inch close to me, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Wait, I'm sorry. The devil's war. Please. Please, I'm talking to you. What have I done again? Oh. Mike! Miko, no. Mike, please. It's the devil's work. Mike.
You come and eat close to my car.
Mike, people, it's the devil's work. Hi! Welcome, CJ. I've lost Obidibo. Now I've lost Mike. I'm a loser. Welcome, CJ. Greed, Momo. Greed.
And I boy you too baby. Now what see baby thank you for yesterday. Look at how you made her feel so jealous. If Akirias were so cold, she was very, very angry.
She would die.
And she would die.
She would die. I saw it in her eyes. But I'm not scared of her. I am not scared of her. Check him. I'm very jealous of her.
Me too.
Obi, please. I want you to stay away from that girl. Stay far away from her. You're mine and mine alone.
Do you think I like that girl? Yeah. I don't even like anything about her.
Are you sure?
She just have big bum. Your bum is even more organized than her bum. Her bum is just big like tank.
Well, you used to call her your sexy investment.
Guinea.
That she's very sexy.
Yeah. That is the opposite. Now, the opposite of sexy investment. She's of no use. She's wasted investment.
That means I'm more sexy.
Yes, now you are my Bugatti.
Hey! Obidibo! Obidinabobo!
I love you.
I love you more. Hey! My love.
See, let me tell you, tomorrow we'll go back there. Now we'll frustrate this girl.
Until she tired.
Now. You tired now?
Yes.
See, you are my
queen of the market and you're the king.
Go to the market.
Hey!
I love you.
I love you.
I love you with all my heart.
Eh?
My heart is doing me Bugatti. You see, on the day of her traditional wedding, I will dress classical. Me, the kind of dance that I will dance that day.
People will be wondering what is happening.
You bring all your friends, the big friends that have the big cars.
All those my soldier friends, I will call them. They will
scatter everywhere.
Wait for me. Hey,
let me kiss you again.
Hey.
I'll wait to meet you.
Hey, Obidibo. What have I gotten myself into? Eh? She's useful to me. She's useful to me. Ifeoma is the only problem I'm having here. But you see, Ifeoma, you and that your new boyfriend, yeah, female, you must come back. No. In fact, you even provide goats or cocoa to beg me, and I will not forgive you. You must be begging me. Then I'll balance and be watching. My name is Obidibo. Obidiwanabubu. Kafi email. Ozzy, I'm coming. Obidiwanabubu. I'll frustrate you in this village. In a mind with your new that yellow tolo. You are calling your new boyfriend. No problem, man.
Hello, beautiful. Can I give you a ride?
No, I'm not interested.
No, come on. I mean no harm, okay? I mean, how can a beautiful girl like you be working under the sun? Just hop in, let me give you a ride, okay? Please.
Oga, brother, I'm used to it. Yes, ritualist. I know your type. You want to use me for ritual, yeah? It will not work for you.
Moi.
Yes, you're a ritualist. Christmas don't reach. You want to use me for ritual. It will not work for you. You're a ritualist.
Hey, car in my house? What could that be? What is this?
Good day, Mama.
My son, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Let's see, Mama, how are you?
I'm not fine. What are you doing here? And who showed you the road to my house?
Ozoma, get him to sit down. Sit there, bring it. Let him sit down first.
Do you know him before?
Must I know somebody before I offer him seat? Just tell you check on another and also do you know him? Again.
How do you even know that this is my house? What are you doing here?
No, I'm sitting down. Don't mind her.
Thank you, Mama. Osioma, how are you doing today?
Bad. Very, very bad. My day was going fine. But now that you're here, everything just scattered.
My son, who are you and where are you coming from?
Mama, I am from Nerim's village.
Nerimka?
Yes, Mama.
Wait, this nearby Nerim?
Yes, Mama.
So who is your father?
I am Chief of Forge's son, Mama.
Chief of Forge?
Yes, Mama.
Are you the one that came back from Obodo Yibo? Eh?
Yes, Mama.
Obodo Yibo in my house. Ozoma, go inside the jail with the hedgerow. You call me now.
How?
You came round.
Call me around. Is this under the bed? Do we have fridge in our house? Eh? Bros, our transformer don't spoil since 3 months ago. No, they could be there.
Ozoma, go and buy. Go to
Mama, we don't have any cold drink.
No, it's fine, Mama. It's okay.
Hey.
I only came to see how your beautiful daughter is doing.
It is written for your head to do.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
But let me ask. Do you know my daughter before, or you're just
Actually, Mama, we met recently and I like your daughter so much.
Don't like me, oh. Don't like me. I don't like fair guys. You're too fair for my liking. I don't like you. Look at your eyes. I don't like you. I don't like you. I know you're a ritualist. You are here to use my breast for ritual and you will not see me.
Don't mind her. You don't get some nowadays, eh?
It's okay,
they really
Mama.
reason with your small brain, eh?
It's okay, Mama. She'll get to know me much.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of time, Mama.
Chago, you have said it all. She will know you better. Eh?
Thank you, Mama. I'll be on my way now. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow.
Come back?
Yep, I will come back tomorrow.
You are welcome now. After and whenever you choose to come back, you are highly welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. I'll be on my way now.
No problem. Eh?
Don't mind my daughter. She will love you.
Hey. Okay, Ubo. Machine. Auto. While I over there. Neche. Ozi ọnwa mma mbata n'ime gị ọbịa balance ya. Obodo Igbo. Oh. Go inside Uzoma and dress up. Eh? You heard him. He said you should accompany him to a wedding. Handsome and caring. Obodo Igbo ka dey cook here. Eh? I'm na ekwu gị na akpụ nri. Ị na-eme cowbell. Let's go inside and dress up. Did you hear that? You will like it. Thank you, my son.
You're welcome, Mama.
Go inside. Stop doing shakara. Record. Eh? Dress up and look like the queen you are. My son, you're such a nice one. Very caring.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Hey, open one beke. I'm ready. Adam! Eh? This thing is heavy, the wig. Eh? Wole wayo, azo hifalo. Eh? Zoshuku na like. Emma. Move na gaga, eh? Fine chiki. Fine ada. Chai! My daughter, you remind me those days when I was Uremma. Eh? Uremma. You remind me when I was Urenna. Very pretty, fine looking, succulent young girl. Eh? Mama. My son. In fact, you are boy, ewu boy, wabeke. Obodo Igbo man, Obodo Igbo car, Obodo Igbo zioma. You are my daughter. This is when I am Urenna. Urenna. And now I am still my pretty self. Oh, Ozinganga can name Urenna. My son, you are boy. You are boy. Oh God, I say you boy, dachi. Who's about it? I'm here waiting. Hey.
Please, is Ozioma around?
No, she went out.
She's not around.
Any problem?
No, Mama, please. Where did she go to? Did she went to the market?
Ozioma went for a wedding.
Wedding?
I hope there's no problem.
No, Mama, no problem. Just that I was missing her and I decided to come and check on her. But please, Mama, when she returns, tell her that I came to look for her, that she should check on me. Yes, Mama.
Okay, no problem. I will do that.
Alright. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Mama, I hope you are okay.
I'm fine, my son.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm very okay.
You're okay?
Yes.
I like your clothes.
Thank you very much, my son.
Alright, Mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Remove every bad egg in my daughter's life. I don't like this one, no. Oh, Chukwokike, please. I don't know where this one is coming from. Maybe Kush. Hey.
Thank you so much for accompanying me to the wedding.
I should be the one thanking you. Thank you for taking me out. I really had fun there.
I'm glad you had fun. Osi, I really hope you accept my proposal. Hey, I'm not rushing you. I'm not forcing you. Just take your time, okay?
I'll think about it. Thank you for taking me out. Okay.
Obiligbo. Lele. Why are you looking at those clothes like that as if they are masquerades? Ihenkili, Mom. Why? So you are now lazy. Very lazy to wash your own clothes with your own hand, Obiligbo. Huh? By the way, where is Ozioma?
Mama, I've not seen her. I've not seen her for days now. I've even gone to her house, but she's not there.
Yeah. You have gone to her house and she is not there. So where could she be? So, is that why you are sad?
Sad? Sad. I'm not sad. I'm just wondering her whereabouts. So sad.
If I scratch your back, you have the strength to wash the clothes.
Let me build my energy.
No problem. I will do that. Are you not my only child? Ngwa. 1,000. Adugomma. Mbada. Ngwa. Ozugo. Subakwa. You can start by putting soap inside. Tinyencha. Yes. Inside the water. One. Here.
So tell me, are you so scared of me?
No. I like you. You're a nice person. Fun to be with. You like taking me around with your big car.
Thank you. Darling, I've been wanting to ask you. Apart from your Mama Put's business, which other business would you like to do?
I don't have any other business. So. Mama Put business. Ozioma restaurant is what I like doing. I love cooking. So that people will be enjoying my meal. Yes.
So, what about trying something different?
Let's say provision store.
How about supermarkets?
No, I don't want supermarkets. I want provision store.
No, supermarket is more lucrative. It's big, it's massive. You like it?
I don't think I would like it though. I like provision store more than supermarket. Anything market, no. Provision store. Supermarket, no.
You mean you prefer provision shop to supermarket?
Yes. Supermarket. Anything market, no. Provision store in the street, yes.
Baby, you know what? Maybe when you see the two of them, you see supermarkets this way, you see provision store this way, I know you choose supermarkets. Yes.
I don't think so. But I'll think about it. But I still like provision store.
Don't worry, just think about it.
Okay.
Ozoma.
Okay,
from now, shock, as if you saw a ghost. Eh? Who did it?
Nothing happened.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Where have you been for days now?
Oh, I've been around. Did you come looking for me?
Huh?
Did you come looking for me?
Ozoma, didn't your mother told you that I came here to see you?
Oh, yes, she did. She did.
And what happened?
I forgot. Sorry, I forgot.
You've changed though.
Sorry.
You've changed though.
Sorry, I forgot.
It's okay. I want you to follow me to Informer's place tomorrow.
Informer's place?
See, but we have to dress well. Very, very well. So we'll make her jealous.
Again?
You
know, the last time she chased us away with a machete.
Leave that one. That one is our manse.
Yeah, Ubi na boy, ya boy.
Beka. Uya ni easy miri. Hey.
Oh, I will dress well.
I'll be waiting for you at home.
I'll come.
Make sure you come.
What time? Is it in the afternoon or in the evening?
I'm origin on my yard. In the afternoon.
Afternoon. I'll come.
I'll be waiting for you at home.
I'll come.
Who's he, baby? Get with you.
Bye-bye, yeah? Bye-bye. Hey, thank God that he did not see Michael here. I didn't mean I saw him here. There would have been trouble. Thank God though. Hey.
And who is that?
He's your one, of course. He's supposed to be here by now.
Uzioma. Sit one and beacon. Relax. Yes, relax. She will come. Is it not, Uzioma? She will come. I know she will come.
so worried. Ah! Odabasiko. Good.
Next, in the mission, switching positions, we so explicit. You've been saying all night long.
Wait, stop.
What is it?
Stop. I'm late.
Wait. Hello. No, don't worry, I can drop you. I can drop you. You don't need to trek when I have a car. I can drop you.
Okay, let's
Get
go.
in the car, please.
Let's go. I'm late. Let's go. I have an appointment with somebody.
Just direct me, okay?
I have appointments. What are you doing with her? I thought you said it's over between you and her. What are you doing with her? Obinibo! He is the boyfriend I was telling you about. My boyfriend. Leave me alone.
Get out.
Hey, Ogapo. Oh, can see you again now.
Get out!
I know they see you now. I don't see you anymore.
I told you that boy is a good for nothing human being. Eh? He looks more like a rascal to me. In fact, too irresponsible for anybody to call him a friend.
My darling, it's okay. Please stop crying. I'm here for you.
I was never in support of that relationship. Eh? I was never a supporter at all. I never liked the sight of that young man. How can a young man at that age be walking and his trousers will be pulling out of his waist? And he will not even notice it. He don't even do as if he has the feelings that something is dropping out of him. Which means he's already dead. Eh? I knew it from the onset that nothing good can ever come out of him. In fact, just cry it out, let the tears flow. Cry it out, cry the nonsense out of your head. By the time you finish crying, you'll be okay. Just cry out the nonsense out of your head. Cry, let it flow out. Obaruru. We cannot carry heartbreak in our hands, so cry. Now we hear again. Look at. You cannot have this and you'll be looking for that.
Please stop crying. I'm here for you.
What on earth are you doing here?
Uzoma, I know you are not happy with me. I know you are disappointed in me.
Of course, I am. I am disappointed in you. You fooled me. I heard all you told her. I heard everything. That I'm a dirty girl. That you have nothing to do with me. So, you were actually playing games with me. You were actually playing games with me. Just to get her back, right? Fine. She's back. Go back to her.
That's not what you think. Uzoma, ever since then, my conscience has been judging me.
You don't have a conscience! You don't have a conscience! Obidibo, you are a devil. Huh? Yes! That's what you are, devil. Now leave.
Uzoma,
Get
you asking me to leave
out.
Get
out! Fine. If you don't want to go, I will leave for you.
No, I will go. Uzoma, I will go.
Obidibo, is that not your phone ringing? Pick it now. Who is that? Obidibo, who is that? If it is someone, then pick the call.
I shouldn't have done that to Ozioma. She doesn't deserve it.
Nah, you have made your choice. Yes, so let her be.
Biko.
The wind has blown and Ikokoko has come out. Yes, Ikokoko. Obawago. You see what you have missed? You see what you have missed, Obidibo? In case you don't know what you have missed, I will tell you. Yes, I will tell you what you have missed. You have missed a girl with a good heart. You have missed a girl that is well trained. You have missed a wife material. That is what you have missed. Out of your stupidity. If I were you, at this point in time, I will be shedding tears, crying seriously. Yes! Instead of moping like someone who fell inside water. Cry! Shed tears. Let us know that you are angry. Let me know that on the God a wiki way.
No, you don't have to do that. Love one more fool on my band. I say, love one more wife on the bros. Bros, what thing I do you? Which kind of person you be? Now, which kind of person you be? Bros, I go back to you. I go back to you. Huh? First, it was Ifoma. Now, it's Osoma. And I'm the one that give your past life. Bros, I collect your wife for your past life. I collect your wife.
You are a fool.
Eh? You say?
I say you are a fool.
Now you be fool.
How can you do?
You say?
You do nothing, bro.
I do nothing. I do nothing.
Do you know how I fuck niggas up in New York City? Listen, I thought you've gone back to Ifoma and you said that Osioma here is not your type. So what are you doing here?
Bros, he asked me what I do here.
You are a fool.
I'm a fool. I'm a fool. I'm a fool.
Hey!
I'm a fool.
What are you doing?
I'm a fool. Okay, I'm a fool. Police also. I'm a fool.
If you touch my woman, I will arrest you. I will arrest you. Touch her again. Touch her again. Touch her.
Police!
Touch
if you don't call police, if you don't call police for here, if you don't call, if you don't call, you don't mind.
If you touch my woman,
somebody help me!
Okay.
Somebody help me!
And I'm waiting for.
Somebody help me!
Oh boy. I dey tell you. Wale weed. Go smoke it, go get sense now. Goes there. Focus a lot. Who say na call for money?
Hey, sex.
With advantage and you.
And you.
Investment. Ezege, pick your call now. Don't be your sex investment. Pick your call now, Ezege. Sex. Ezege, pick your call.
I don't want to pick. Boss, Makagini, pick her call now. You have always wanted her back now. Now she's back, you don't want to see or even pick her calls. Makagini, pick her calls, I beg, boss. Butu, one Butu.
That fool defeated me once. I won't allow him this time around.
I am Obidibo. Really, Obidibo.
Nobody triumphs the calibration.
Whoa! What?
And still remain the same.
The king of the market. Someone pay for you. But Ezege, you know, so will be your top dogs. Mogo understand something. I beg. Is it that you are in a fight with Mike? Or you are in love with Osioma?
Number.
Which one?
Number.
Bros, you dey mad. Come. If you like say this Igbo they sit down together, they smoke. If you like say they deceive una.
Your question no legit.
You dey mad? What's in the? I say me throw away speed go one side. Dude.
Your question no legit oh. But boss, make I tell you the truth though. All I can see in your eyes is love, boss. You are in love with Ozioma, boss. You are in love with Ozioma. All I can see in your face is love, boss.
You dey mad. You dey crazy.
It's Jones.
You dey mad. You dey mad. Now because he will say more, don't help your life. Small me dey dey around me. Me dey dey around. He shit for outside. Mba inyonshina ofia. He be mugu guy. When we dey street, you know they come outside. Your mama know they allow you come outside because you be fine boy. They know they like fine boys. See this guy, you. Listen. I swear on my father's grave. Any other time we be say if I dey young, you dey touch me like this, I go nod you.
Hey! Ezege don't para. Ezege calm down. You get mouth.
I say make una dey meet.
Now.
Boom!
Boom!
And when I buy, make you hail the king of the market. 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 Hail the
Osi, please forgive me. I shouldn't have done that to you. Forgive me.
Obidibo, you don't have to apologize to me. I'm here to wish you well. You played with my emotions, knowing fully well that I loved you. Why? Why didn't you tell me that I was not good enough for you? Why all the drama? Why? After all I did for you, Obidibo, I washed your clothes, I cleaned your house, I cooked for you. You choose to hurt me. But it's okay. I'm fine now. I'm no longer crying. I'm here to wish you well. Good luck. God have sent Mike to wipe away my tears.
Zioma, you have to believe me. That guy's intention is not good enough for you.
So were yours! Obidibo, so were yours. Your intention were never good for me. You played me. Why? Why? Why me? Why the poor Ozioma? Why?
Ozioma. Ozioma.
Leave me alone.
I can't concentrate anymore. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know if what I feel for you is love or something.
No! What you feel for me is hatred, not love. You don't love me. And you will never love me. Stay away from me. Stay away from my home. Good luck.
But please, I'm sorry. Ozioma. Hey.
Obidibo, my son, what is it? What is eating you up? You have been like this. What happened? Obidibo, why are you crying? Obidibo, what is it?
Mama, I've lost it all. I've lost it, Mama.
How? What is it?
It's now I realize if Mama is lost to me, I shouldn't have hurt Ozioma. I can't even deceive myself anymore. And she doesn't want to talk to me. She doesn't want to see my face. She doesn't even want to hear me out. Mama, please help me beg her. Please beg her for me to come back. I love her.
I will do no such thing. I will do no such thing. If you know how you chased her away, go and bring her back. I will not be party to this. I want you.
Mama, be good. Mama, be good. Mama, be good.
I want you. I want you, but you wouldn't listen.
Osioma has been the one helping me out with every house chores. Cleaning, sweeping, washing, cooking. Told you that she's a wife material. You refused. It has happened. You want me to go and beg? No problem. I'll go. I'll go with you, but all I pray is that she will accept us back. She will accept you back. Let's pray that she have a change of mind, because the situation, I cannot speak for her. She will speak for herself. Just pray. Pray she will have a change of heart. Just pray. Just pray that she will have a change of heart. Oh, Malichangwa. Ziomo Malichangwa.
Mama, I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to prove to your daughter that I love you. And I'm ready to make my intentions known to her. I will be coming with my family tomorrow to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
Eh? Ashi! Impossible! Oh my man! You to say, Bolu? You must be out of your mind. What are you talking? Eh? Are you out of your mind? How can you come from nowhere to come and take us away from me? In Apwala! And you are here listening to this guy. Eh? Can't you use your sense? You are here looking at him. Eh? Don't you see when he was talking? His head was shaking like this. That is to tell you that he's telling lies. As a gonna say. He never Buram post. When is the boat runner from Ethiopia? What you running rope for the year? What can me talk and go? And I'm saying nobody will marry Osioma except me. Oh, we'll go it easy.
Chubukere. What is it?
What are you going to market and don't say Selena? Get it? I'm not going to marry the Guabu. I'm not going to motor. I'm not going to die the motor. What are you getting? Hey! Hey!
Chubukere. Chubukere. What is your problem? Eh? Huh? Tell me, in which hand is it that you paid Ozioma's dad? Who collected Ozioma bride price from you?
And I know your footballs. I don't know. Developing. However.
Okay, if that is the case, Ozioma is a young girl. Allow her to choose whom she wants to spend the rest of her life with. Eh?
You are right this time. She's a young girl. We have to. I'm an adult. I have to make choice for her.
And the choice is who? You're welcome. You're welcome. Please come and sit down, my sister.
No. This visit of ours, it has not called for a sitting down thing. It's a very important matter that we came for. I have come to ask for your forgiveness on behalf of my son. He has realized his mistakes, and he has found out that he truly loved you. He pleaded with me to come and beg with him for you to forgive him for all the wrongs that he has done to you. Please, my daughter, forgive him because of me, not because of him. You know I truly love you. You know I sincerely love you. Please, do this for me, for the love that I have for you. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive Obidibo, my son. Please.
Listen to her. Don't make your second mistake.
How?
Ozioma. Ozioma and Kem can azo. My own daughter, Ozioma, is now a hot cake.
What happened?
Hey, Ozioma, please, among these three men, choose the person you love and really want to marry you, so that this whole drama will end. Pick on one.
Who don't need Anya? Who don't need Anya? These are boys, are not men. I'm the only man here. I put him a photo in here. Photo that free about double. Look at that compare with
Zema, look at me. Mama, look at me, mother.
Mama.
Mama, you know I love you. I know you want the best for me. Yes. Isn't it? Yes, and that is my son. Mama, please, I don't want to hurt you. How can you be talking of hurt, daughter? Mama, you know I care. I know. Mama, I know you want my happiness. You love me, right? And you want to see me happy, yes.
Woman, allow her to talk.
Michael.
Rosie.
Michael.
Rosie.
Mama, I'm confused.
Don't be confused. You don't need to be confused. I am standing by you. I'm here. Make your choice. I'm standing by you, Gidigbam. Let this madness end. Sorry. Just be strong for me and say it. Don't fear. Don't look at any face. Okay. Make your choice so that this whole drama will end.
Okay, I choose. I choose my...
Hey!
Come Zoike.
Hey! This is my losing point. Hey, lose one. Hey, lose one.
What true love is. I choose...
You can lose one.
I choose my... Mama, I really don't want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to see you sad. Please, I want to see you happy. I know you want my happiness. I'm sorry. Mike showed me what true love is.
I love you.
I love
you. Because you know me be the king, go. Oh, I am the king, I rule the market, but I no get joy. Now my hustle make my mama get joy. I run the streets with no defeat, and when I pass, make you